How did she die?
Sir, it's a long story. I was informed that he was...
You're welcome. What is it? What is it? Hey, come. What is it?
What is it? What's this problem?
Oh, I was good.
Get water! Who's it?
Somebody should pour him water.
Water! Get water!
What is good about that? Good afternoon, sir. I said, what is going on here? Say good afternoon. Sir, I'm greeting you, sir. I said, what are you doing? Good afternoon, sir. What is good about this afternoon? Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Thank you, sir.
What's happening here?
Sir, I'm doing the job, sir. Which job? The painting job, sir.
What's Nachi? I gave you this job months ago.
I also gave you money.
Look at what you are still doing.
Sir, I'm painting the interior. I've not started the exterior. Let me tell you something. There's no fine boy in this business. Look at you. You will paint your face, rub cream on your body before you come to work. Sir, which one is this how you are going to feed your wife? Sir, leave my wife out of this, sir. Sir, I'm doing the job. Can you go inside and see the one I did inside? I painted the whole of... It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you on this job again. Sir, no, it hasn't got into that. Just leave. I'll get somebody to do the job for me. Sir, I'm painting the interior. I'm almost done with the interior. I'll start this one tomorrow, sir. Let me tell you. I give you 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
To return the money I paid you.
Sir, you need to come and see the
else.
I will come to your house, arrest you. Sir, hold on, wait, sir. Sir, hold on. It hasn't got into that. Sir, let me show you what I've done so far. Sir, at least come inside and see what I've done. I have told you. Sir. Nah, I think. Sir.
I can't want that. Oh no, that very much. Look on what. Please help me. Help my life. My wife is dying. Oh God.
How much are we talking about?
I'm talking 500,000. Please, my wife in the hospital. Please.
It's okay. Sit down. Sit.
Money na water. Maybe you get to go for. I think we need more money.
In that case, remind me when we go out, so I'll get more money. Okay. Meanwhile, Obinna, I still have your account number. I'll make a transfer of 400,000 naira to you.
400,000! Hey! That's it. Hey! I don't want that! Papa! You too much! After you! After Jesus, now you! After Jesus, now you! Oh! Let me go to the hospital before she retires. Send me.
It's alright, I'll make the transfer.
I'm kidding, make it out because doctor will pursue me.
You will receive it.
My man. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Hey, I know I will get there. What Hey!
Well, I'm tired of all these people. They are begging is too much. Eh? Every time they will be begging people money up and down every day. Someone will just come to someone's house and be begging for money. Eh? It's too much now.
Amobi, you don't have to worry yourself about that. Okay? As a matter of fact, I want to be the giver. I don't want to be begging people for money. And let them come and be begging. It's alright. Okay. You know, givers don't lack. And I will never lack.
At all.
That's the truth. So I urge you to give to your friends when you have. It is good to give.
I mean, I don't joke with my friends. So I used to give my friends money. My friends in the village, I don't used to joke with them. Whenever they ask me for money, I send for them ASAP.
Okay, move.
You know, a friend to a big guy like you is also a big guy.
A big boy. I love those lines.
Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Akuwa.
My brother, please, anything you can support me with, I'll appreciate it, please. Just help me. Huh? What happened? Talk to me now, what is it? What happened?
You're my friend!
What happened to Rita? Talk to me, what happened to Rita?
Jose,
Huh?
your wife is dead! Your wife is dead! Your wife, my friend, is dead! Jesus Christ!
What do you mean my wife is dead?
Jose, someone knocked her down a few minutes ago. Before we could go to the hospital, doctor confirmed her death. Hey!
Janet, what nonsense? What are you? Is this a prank? What's wrong with you now?
I can never prank you. I can never prank you. See, your wife is dead.
Rita is dead. Where is she now?
Mortuary.
How?
Mortuary.
Which mortuary?
Mortuary city. Hey! Oti, wait for me. Oti, mortuary.
Hey! Hey, that's happened. It went well. Really? I told you that Akonwata is nobody but not a smart person.
Wait.
I told you that Akonwata is not a smart person. I am smarter than him.
Did he give you the money?
Ojogo. He will not try not to give me the money. He gave me the money. He gave me the money. I told you now. He's not a smart person. He only has money more than me. Do you understand?
How?
See, let me tell you. As I'm talking to you now, he has given me 400,000 naira.
400,000.
Stay there and see. I'm transferring some money to you now. You will go and buy things. Dikeh, anything. Just prepare delicious meal for us.
You like enjoyment too much. Eh?
No, you hate enjoyment.
No, you like money. You like enjoyment. Okay, let me go inside and prepare.
Prepare, please.
Okay.
When you are buying meat, don't buy small. You know I don't like tiny
I'll buy cow head.
I like
yes, I'll
meat.
buy the cow head. I'll buy this catfish, the big one. I'll make pepper soup, make a Dikeh, put enough meat.
We are going to eat 100,000 naira. Then we'll the other one.
Okay.
Next time we'll continue. Okay. By the time that one finish, I'll go to him again and ask him for money again. He will not say no.
Yes.
Go!
I trust you. And I'm going to buy alcohol, right?
Yeah, buy alcohol now. Plenty alcohol.
Okay.
Go. Go. Go, look at you. You are eating money. What? You are not smart. I'm more intelligent than you. Swindle your money. Once this one finish now, I'll come again to your house. Bum, 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 bum. Yes, come in. Hey, my mother is here. You give me. You not say no.
Actually, my darling, I have really missed you. So tell me, when are you coming around? So, is that right? Oh, okay, no problem. In that case, let me know when you're ready. Once you get to your mother's place, so I'm going to come pick you up. Alright. You take care of yourself, my darling. Okay? Can't wait to set my eyes upon you. Alright. Take care.
Where is she?
On transit to her mother's place. Once she gets there, you go pick her up.
Okay. Okay.
Akomata, lunch is ready, sir.
Keep it when I come back. Alright.
When I get back. I was told my wife is here.
Yes, Oga. He's the one who brought his wife here.
Your wife is here.
Yes.
Was that why you just barged in like that? Are you not afraid of ghosts?
No. I just. She told me my wife is here.
It's okay.
They don't cry here. This is mortuary. Madam!
Please hold yourself. Just you want to sleep.
Now you listen to me. I will allow you in, but when you get in there, try to be a man. Don't just go in there and start crying like a baby. Do you hear me? Take it easy. Take it easy. Madam, please. Hey, come.
Sir.
Huh?
Come.
Remember, are you listening to me? Please, do not cry. Do not cry, madam. Please. Please, you need to stop crying. Please don't be this way. Look, There's no need for this. Moreover, I would like you people to give me the details so I can make the registration. We can start embalmment immediately. There's no time.
Okay, just give us the paper. Let's register. We need to get to the village to inform our poor mother.
Come.
Sir?
Your surname?
Okoro.
And your name, Uncle? Oga, your own name?
Osinachi.
Osinachi. I will need your wife's name in full too.
Rita Okoro.
Rita. Okoro.
Hey! I'm ready to go. This heat too much, oh. You know it's more with this.
Listen, one guy. Hi. This one. How long are we going to do this?
Don't kill us.
Muna, just relax. Just calm down, okay? We have to do this thing as long as it takes, please. And we have to do it very well.
That means
very well.
That means you go top out money.
Yes.
You go top money. Dead body don't dey die like this. So.
Hey, relax. Everywhere left. If I let us now, you know, guy, no vex now. He's still there outside the cry, baby. Now, meanwhile, they want to make the registration. You understand? As per the embalmment thing now. You get that? So, but me, I beg, make gonna bring on a voice down now. They talk. Bring them. They still there.
No, but just talk money. You wanna bring our voice down.
See. Everywhere, madam, man. You know where they are. You understand? Oh, I'm making sure. Amen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I'm Obina's wife. Yes.
I can't remember.
You know him. I just say I should thank you for what you've been doing for I and my husband. Oh. My God will bless you.
Amen. It's all right. Don't mention my dear. Helping people is my hobby. It's what I do. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Besides, I thought your husband said you were sick.
Oh, yes. I was actually sick, but I was discharged today, so I decided to come to the shopping mall to get some things. Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
It's all right. You take care, okay?
Okay, sir. Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.
Boss, this lady doesn't look sick. Oh. Did you see how shocked she was when you asked her?
Amobi. Happened in madam. Adieu.
Wow.
Okay, guys. So I must applaud you all. You did so well. And I am really, really proud. No doubt. So, as you all know, we have a WhatsApp group. So every information will be passed on the group chat. So I beg you all to always be with your phone at all time. And again, this building has been paid for. Strictly for business. This is a corporate business. As your government, if you afford job for owner, I don't give on a corporate job. You understand?
I get another work. Don't be mortuary attendant in my work.
As long as you would pay us daily for this, eh? Ha! Adeyo, I don't have issue. I'm ready anytime, any day. Even if na midnight, call me, I will be here.
Team for the mama!
Lisa, you got
Guys, money is not a problem. I got the money to spend.
my God.
Yes. So, Janet will be giving us information on when he's about to come. So I need you all to be ready at all time. Ready as ready. Right? So we all need to be ready at all time. Ready to make move. You get?
Money is involved now.
Yeah. I don't need anyhow.
Money is involved now.
I have to run along.
Now what for you? We take a lunch, mama.
We do that for a living. What you like money?
Time is up, yes?
Mama, you didn't show.
Alright.
Mama, anything for just do
Just
one
something for us.
Hi. Honey, I'm back. Oh, wait, so. Yes, I bought everything you asked me to buy.
Please, you have to go now so that you start cooking sharp. I'll go to Nanjo. You buy the drink.
Yeah, I bought everything you asked me to buy.
No time. So that will let me start drinking. Hi.
Okay, no problem. Honey, guess who I saw today?
Who?
Guess now.
Tell me, guess another drum now.
I saw Akunwata.
Eh?
Yes.
Hope he did not see you.
He saw me now.
Ha! Ogenekwa. How can you? What do you allow me to see you now?
What do you mean?
I told him that you are. Oh God, you spoil things for me now. You spoil things for me. I told him that you are sick. I am in the hospital.
What are you even saying? At first, he did not even recognize me. I was the one that reminded him who I was.
Ogenekwa. Hi, why are you like this now? Eh? Is this not Basaquin attitude? This is your attitude of Basaquin. Somebody that did not see you went to carry yourself to show him as who will be nice wife. You want to introduce yourself. Why did you do that now? Don't you have your spoilers for me?
How?
I told him that you are in the hospital and that you are too down. Eh?
Oh, yes. He actually asked me. I quickly act fast. I told him that I have been discharged.
No, you cannot be that smart. Imanota, eh? There is no way. I told him that you are too down. There's no way you will be discharged and you rush to market to buy things sharp. Eh? I don't like this thing. That's why you don't have sense. You don't always think fast. Eh? Somebody that knows you are happy or gather you want to go and introduce yourself. You don't have sense.
What do you even mean? Why will you even tell me that I don't have sense? What are you even talking about? I asked you, what did you tell Akunwata? You tell me I should mind my business. Baby, you should know that we are in this together. You should carry me along so that I will know how to fix things.
Hey! What am I hearing? Ask her. Hey! Chai! Hey!
Yeah, I was coming back from where I went to see my friend.
Uh-huh.
I saw people gathered at an accident. Then not far from this our village. Guess who I saw on the ground? Rita on the floor. Hey!
Shimo!
Hey!
This cannot be true.
Jane,
Cannot be true.
I'm finished.
You are not finished.
I'm finished.
You are not finished. You have not even started.
Yeah, the driver left her and ran. I was going to see her, but my was not connected. I had to beg people to help me rush her to the hospital. But doctor confirmed her dead. Rita is dead.
It cannot happen.
What is this, man? Wait.
I know what I saw. I know my friend is dead. What are you saying?
Why? Death? Why? What have we done to you, Death? Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Hey!
Eh? Why are you thinking? I told you. Anytime you need money, just go to Akuna. He will give you money. Please, let's enjoy our drink.
You will not understand. But it's alright. I know what to do. I must find something to tell him. Any other time I go there. And he must give me money.
I don't know why you're worrying yourself for. Akunwata is a generous man. Whenever you need him, whenever you need money, you can go to his house. Or better still, look for something to do for him. You can clean or wash plate for your clean car for him. Do anything, he will give you money.
You see? Haha. Mbakwa, I cannot do that too. I cannot go to his house, clean house, maybe wash car, help them, do 1 or 2 house chores. No, I can't do that to my fellow man. Can't do it for my fellow man. I'm a big boy. So I can't serve my fellow man like that. No, I can't do it. I will not do it. See, let me tell you, I cannot do all this nonsense. Amobi was there doing, serving him. Can you imagine serving my fellow man, praising him, doing this one? I can't do it. I'm a big boy. Can't do it. I'm above that.
This Amobi you're talking about, he's enjoying himself. Oh. Do you know how much Akunwata is paying him? Akunwata is paying him big money. I even heard he bought him a car. A big car, Jeep. And you're here saying what? Just to be a good friend and just assist him. See, if you can do anything, just go to his house. Do anything for him. You just need the money.
I can't do that.
Oh, you're doing it for the money.
I cannot do that. Listen, let me tell you. Akunwata is a big boy. He has money and he likes people to praise him. Akunwata, kone buga, yana chakanda. And you'll be doing it. Listen, I will only go there. I'll praise him. Akunwata, cha, papa, hey, Akunwata, if I praise him, he will bring out money and give me. He has no option. If he refuses to give me money, I'll call him out on social media and tell people that he's a 419er. Yes, now.
Hey, you will do no such thing.
I will do it too.
No, Akunwata is a generous man. He's a good man. He has been giving you money. I told you, whenever you need money, just go to him.
How much is he giving me? Look at what I'm drinking. Look at what I'm drinking. Am I supposed to be drinking? I'm supposed to be drinking champagne. As somebody that knows somebody like him. I'm supposed to be drinking champagne. Look at what he's giving me. No, I don't like that. Somebody that I told that I need 500,000 and he gave me 400. If as a big man that he is, don't you supposed to give me 600? What million for me to go and cruise?
Are you not a man? Why don't you work for your own money?
What do you mean?
I'm not even happy that he gave you such amount of money.
He did not give me. See, you're supposed to buy. Look at what you bought. And I will suppose. See, let me tell you. Let's eat this money fast. Let it finish. Then we'll go and get and collect money from him. You see? You see now the drink wants to pour because I can't want to be him the money. Let's not be him the money.
Calm down.
Now the drink wants to pour.
At least appreciate the young man.
I'm not appreciating. See, let me tell you, he must give me money. If he did not give me money, I'll call him out on social media and the world will naked him. Try. Chineke. How am I going to sleep this night? How will I tell Rita's mother this? Huh?
Dikeh, you have to find a way. I can no longer think straight. My mental health is destroyed.
It's okay. It's okay, Biko. Dikeh, how do we go about this?
There must be a way out. Tomorrow we shall be there. Early in the morning, we will go and see her. But what bothers me is, are you actually sure that Rita is in the mortuary now?
Dikeh, I went to the mortuary. I saw her. She was kept on the floor, covered in white. How?
Hello.
Her face was revealed and I saw my wife.
Hello.
My wife is dead.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Ichie, I can still believe that Rita, my friend, is dead. Even that I was there when doctor confirmed her dead, I will never believe that Rita is dead. Hi!
And I'm here to believe that.
Hi!
Welcome.
Ah, baby.
You left me all alone in this house for weeks.
I'm sorry, baby, but I'm here now. You know how mothers can be, mothers and their pettiness.
What is it? What does Mama want? Is it something money can solve?
You know what? How about we go inside and you show me how much you miss me?
Sharp, sharp.
Right?
I should just find like 10 people.
Oh, thank you!
Just find like 10 people. Only you. Let my food go. Let food go for me.
Rita, pick your call now. Pick your call now. There's never a day someone will call you. Pick call. Hello? Babe, what's up? Babe, OC is very down, oh. He's very down. Me too, I don't care, oh. He's not my brother, he's not my husband, he's not my boyfriend, so I don't care about him. He wants to go and see your mother tomorrow. I will call you back. Thank you so much.
What are you doing here?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. God bless you.
Huh?
Ichie, I just called the mortuary attendant to help me take care of Rita's body. Hi! Rita!
So, this is true.
It's true, Ichie. My Rita is dead. Oh, Joya! Hey!
Too bad. It's okay. Can't Janet, are you listening to me?
I'm listening.
OC is too down now. He doesn't get himself at all. I want you to go back home and keep him company until I come back from buying the drugs I was heading to. Are you hearing me? Do not leave him. Unless you want to go yourself.
Yes, Ije. Don't worry. You know, at this point in his life, he needs an elder like you. So go back home. I'll go and get the drugs myself, okay? Okay.
Go fast. Go immediately.
Okay.
Start going.
Okay.
Hey!
Mom. Just be at a latte. Tomorrow. Yes, perfectly. Want today. Everything. Yes, Mom. He's here with me. Yes. Oh, you want to say hello to him? Oh, okay. Okay, Mom. Okay, so my mom wants to say hello.
Ezigbo ọgọ. Nnukwu mother-in-law. Daluma, how are you doing, my wonderful mother-in-law? How are you doing, ma? We are all good. Mama, listen now. After this call, I am going to send the sum of 500,000 naira to your daughter. You can't have someone like me and still lack. Mama, let me use this opportunity to tell you, Biko, Anomayo. Tell your daughters to stop doing shakara for me. And she has been the one delaying our marriage. I am ready to marry her Uzubo right now. But her shakara is becoming too much. Mama, see, I have money. My money is too long. There is no man out there that can take care of her the way I will.
At all.
Anything she wants, I will do it. Let her just mention it.
Money.
Mama, be quiet. Please, just talk to her. If there's anything you also need, tell me. Tell your daughter to tell me. Daluma. Nnukwu ogom. Yagazie. Speak to your daughter.
50-50. Calm down. Okay, Mama.
It's money. This is why I like money.
Okay now, okay. Later I need to be with my husband.
I like the sound of that.
Oh, baby.
Your husband.
You know I love you so much.
I love you more.
I love you so much. Come on in.
Hey! Is this real? Ihe dị mma eluo m aka, ihe dị mma okokoko, ihe dị mma eluo. Hey! Ịnụkwa 500,000. That means by the time this man marries my daughter, it will be coming every month. Who am I now? I thank God though. But where has this man been since all this while? And my daughter has been suffering in the hand of that Ochaka Omaka. Let him come today. I will do film for him. Can't buy a film, Konene. I'm off here. Hey, you know what? But how will Rita get out of all this? God, please help us. It's well. It will work out. I've not seen the alert. God, I thank you. Hey! Oh, my boy. Oh, I thought we raised you.
I love you so much. So much. I mean, tell me why I won't marry you.
Wait a minute. Is that a yes?
Come on, baby. I mean, baby, I told you to just give me a little time to put things in order. Because I can't be with you and be going back and forth. You deserve all my time.
Action, they say, speaks louder. In that case, I'll have to give you the sum of 1 million naira as acceptance fee.
Oh my goodness! This man is so sweet, God! Baby!
Come on.
Oh, baby, are you serious right now?
I am rich. Anything for you, my baby.
God bless the day I found you. So much.
Greetings, ma. This is food is ready.
Ugochi. You know I don't like when people call me sir. Address me by my name, Akunwata. It gives me joy.
Okay, Akunwata. Food is ready. Should I serve now?
Come on, please. this. Serve us. I am really hungry.
Okay, ma.
You heard him. Hurry up.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh, that's not Akolo Bioma. Akiri one. Hi, Ebigi. Tem. Aku your money na water.
Man, you are the only one that knows how to call that name. You always give me joy. Darling.
Baby.
Darling.
You saying I don't call you sweet names.
Hey, honey. You call me what no other can call me.
Right.
Both in public and in private.
My mom. Make I enter town now. I want to go see one of a friend in need. You know their way now. I go see one friend in need.
Is that what you're saying stylishly? Go. Take the day off. My baby is here. I ain't going nowhere.
Power. Ebigi. That's so. See you later.
Take care of yourself.
Alright.
So,
Yeah.
see, do you know what? Okay, I'll tell you.
Chai. Oh, I'm Meregini. Oh. Hey! My brother! The truth is that since today, my spirit has been leaving my body. Where did I start from? That a young woman woke up this morning and died before the end of the day. It's unbelievable. Even though such thing has happened before. But death in this case should become shameful of itself. Death, you should be ashamed of yourself because you have taken enough. Can you follow me? Eh? I heard what you said. That's what we reasoned together. By tomorrow, we shall be there. We shall be there to see her mother. They are right, but at least until you come home, we'll discuss it. One.
Osi, stop now. Osi, you cannot continue this way because you know.
You can go and eat.
I'm not interested in the food now. I'm not hungry now. Leave me alone.
Oh yeah, come, let's
Don't
go.
come close to me.
Osi, what are you talking about? You have to eat. You eat to live. Because.
Iche, I have a question for you.
Yes.
When a man loses his wife, is it okay for the man to kill himself too?
It's not okay. It's never okay. It's never done. God's forbid it. Not time. I'll go now.
I'm gonna be.
My
Let me
guy.
catch you.
Man.
You're not looking bad.
Give it to my guy.
Boy, come up and be too fine.
I do this. Hello.
Boy, you are eating money.
God, look money.
They're gonna be designers, guy. Come on, then you should pop.
Everywhere good. What's up, man?
I'm good, my guy.
Wow.
So how's everything now? How your guy and your boss? What's that? Chipakuna Waka.
A very big guy.
I'm telling you.
I swear, it's fine. It's okay. It's doing good.
Oh, that's good. Thank you. Like, what please.
Hey! I bet who they here? Come buy me something, okay? I'll take all of my son life now once. Who they now?
You always make sumptuous meal.
Thank you, sir.
It's really nice. When I fully come in as the madam of this house, you're gonna teach me how to make this sumptuous meal. Promise?
No problem, ma. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This is really nice. Oh. You have everything. And I love you. For real. I really do love you.
I should be the one saying that. Because you have been the one delaying our marriage.
Come on. Okay, let me just put it this way. It's not like I don't want you to get married to me now, like right now. But I'm just trying to take things slow so it doesn't seem like I'm all here all because of the money. Baby, I want you to understand that I love you from the depth of my heart. I love you.
Listen, my darling, only broke men feels that way. When they make a little change, they think the woman loving them is there because of the money. I am highly exposed. I am not like that. When a woman tells me she loves me, if it is for the money, then I will make sure the money is always available for her to spend. That is what an Odogo should do.
Goodness, baby, you are so sweet. See, the more you say all this, the more I love you, the more. Honestly, baby. I love you. You're just so sweet.
And I love you too. Come here.
I love my baby.
And I love you too. Enjoy your meal.
What is it?
Her phone just rang.
Who?
My wife's phone.
Rita's phone.
Where's her phone? The number just went through now. I called the number and somebody picked up and ended the call.
Yes, I just remembered. I forgot the phone at the mortuary.
You did what?
Yes.
The mortuary?
Yes.
So who picks the call?
I think it's the mortuary man. I think he's the one that picked
The mortician?
Yes.
Why is he picking up her calls? In fact, let me go and take
No, see.
What?
See, what are you doing?
I want to go and collect the phone from him now.
What am I here for? Don't worry.
I need to collect my wife's phone.
See, don't worry. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going there to get the phone for you. Oh? Just calm down. Yes. Calm down, I'll go and get the phone.
But why can't I go myself?
See, don't worry. Why am I here? Don't worry. Just go and sit down.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Very, very. Where is it? Where is the chair?
He's gone. He said he's coming back.
Okay. Listen, what are you doing now?
Why? My heart just skipped. I thought she was the one that picked the call.
Just go and sit down, yeah?
Hi.
The thing is, after we graduated from school, I went to serve at Enugu and he went to serve at Benue State. My brother, he needs our help. Since then, we only met once.
Oh, wow. So now, what do you want me to do for you?
See, you see this game is very, very expensive. Imagine we sleeping like a dead people all the time.
You drop this phone now, make me talk now. You did
run you something.
I want you to help me. Talk to your friend and water. The money bag. Money my water. I only learned he's married when we met. So please, I want you to help him. He needs your help. Please talk to your friend Akunawata. I know he's a philanthropist. He helps a lot of people. He lends arms to a lot of people. He has contributed to the upliftment of so many youth in this society. Please.
I understand where you're coming from. But I've told you before. Have patience. You understand? This is not going to take. Okay, fine. The woman is loaded. She is in money. She is rich. You've seen it before. You see the way they spend. This woman is. You don't go to her house before.
That is why I say maybe she had money.
See.
Okay, you know what? Just calm down, eh? I'm going to help you and talk to Ako. And I believe he's going to do something about this.
Oh, thank you very much.
Just no panic, just relax, yeah?
So, Ako help him, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Almost 30k to Paul.
Dead body. Calm down. Okay, if better make she even bring like 100k.
Wait. Within the body you now they talk about 2k yesterday. Then don't unique because of 2k for street. Now the thing said 30k every day. You not come looking for. You don't care now.
If like say they think low, they think low. You supposed to think high.
No. But it makes sense now.
Oh, come on, girl. How could you have left his side? It's just a simple assignment. Do not ever leave his side. It's that simple. Fine, I've blocked the number. I've blocked it already. You know what? I'll bring the phone to you tomorrow so you give it back to him. I'll be using my iPhone, the one Akunwata got from me. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. Please. Don't ever leave his side again. Please. Come on now, we need to be very careful. I told you all this. Alright.
I'm going to see my mother-in-law. I need a lot of explanation. Somebody has to tell me that my wife is not there.
Usi, I've told you. If you continue this way, it will affect you. I know it's very hard for you to endure, man. Please, endure. Because, and meanwhile, Ichi Ndukwe is not here yet. Do you want to go alone?
We are going together. I'm waiting for him to come.
Okay.
Come here, young man. You want to play with me, eh? You want to play with me? What is the problem?
Sir, please, you have to give me some more time. I just lost my wife.
Listen, let me tell you. You see all these your cheap lies? I've heard them before.
Lies?
Give me back the money. Let me look for somebody else to do this job. It has become obvious that you cannot do this job. You cannot deliver on it. Eh? Look at him, lazy man.
Sir, I'm not lying.
Let me tell you something that you're forgetting.
Oh, God.
If you cause me issues with the owner of this house, I will come to this your house and I will set it ablaze.
Sir, I'm not lying. If you think I'm lying, ask her. I lost my wife yesterday.
I don't care. If you allow me to come here again, you will see what will happen.
Oga, please. He's not lying. He lost his wife yesterday. How can he lie about his wife? It's not possible.
I have told you. I have told you. If I come here again, you will see what will happen. Fool.
From this one. Eh? It is all this.
Yeah. Janet,
Sir?
who was that man?
Sir, I'm in jail. That man happens to be the man that gave OC pencil work. OC didn't finish the work. The man sacked him yesterday. Now the same man is back here threatening to do worse things to OC if OC refused to refund him his money.
Hey! Yeah. What is all this? Eh? Osi na akpaka, obanye n'ụkwa. Osi n'ụkwa, obanye na akpaka. Eh? One day, one trouble. What is all this? Eh? Anyway, so bad. Osi, no problem. We shall still pass through all this. You shall pass all this. Huh? I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'll be going to the mortuary to get Rita's phone. Oh, you may not see me at the
Wait. Her phone is there?
Yes, I left. I forgot it there. I'll be going to.
Okay.
What's with that one now? What did I do you? Why you gave this kind strong heart like this? Now because you know who I do. Oga, you don't even me this money for 7 months now. What's happened now? You don't want to pay me.
See, it's too early for this. See the kind of embarrassment we see them mark me this morning. It's too early for this kind. I don't think I go give you. No be 32K. I said I go give you. You know my person now. It's too early for this kind of embarrassment. Babe, look around you. See people they pass. Leave me clothes. Leave my clothes first now.
Are you serious?
Not for you.
Like if they look my face now. If they look my face now, they tell me this kind of thing.
Yeah,
you go get first now. Wait, not make me vex so. I go crazy for you now. You go get money, you go they enter small Ashewo hotel. They carry them, they pay them. You can't reach my own turn. You can't forget say you dey owe me. Eh? So now because say I think I'm easy with you. Not even 32,000 naira self. What are you saying? The total amount of the money is supposed to be 35,000. But based on say I dey leave some kind things for you, based on say you dey do some kind thing for me, you can't remain 32,558 naira. Oga, no make me vex.
Now 32K now. Which one be 38? Now 32K now. Which one come be your own now? Okay, fine. See. You are my person. You don't talk and now say me I don't the wrong package since. Okay, why can't they? Wait till make you the canvas like this now. Okay. Wait till be a target now. Make it disgrace me for a year.
I go disgrace you.
You are not my person. Now you talk and now. As I go give you.
I not be your person.
Okay, fine. Just leave my clothes.
Where the money first? Where the money?
I go give you now.
Bring
but I don't get the money for a year. Now the package be that now.
Then you have to provide that money now.
See.
You go shit that money now.
Babe,
like
babe.
if you know the way you go take pay me that money. No. I don't go leave you because you don't get money.
Now what?
Right now, you get money.
See, now why you do like
you
this?
You go carry
now?
the money now. They enter small Ashewo house. They pay them.
Okay,
you
fine.
You can't reach my own turn. You go they owe me.
Fine.
I will show you grace today.
But leave my clothes.
Be like say no why.
Leave my clothes first
I don't go
now.
leave your clothes. Give me my money.
How did you now? Okay, leave my clothes. I said I go pay you. Leave my clothes. Make I make some calls. You go leave. Now what for you? Why you do like this now?
Make your calls.
They run me down. And
make your call now.
Which kind? Now what for you? Now black market package can be this one.
Okay, make your call, no. What's happen? Okay, make your call first.
I said I won't make call now.
Make the call.
Now what for you? Ha.
You want to run me?
Leave my clothes. Like, see, now embarrassment is the mark. Leave my. I said okay. Leave my.
Like you want to run me street now, be?
Look back.
Okay, you want to run me street now?
Okay, leave my clothes. Leave my clothes now. Leave my clothes first.
You want to run me street?
No. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes now.
I don't leave your clothes.
How for you?
Babe? Babe? Wait. Babe? Your phone.
My phone?
Check it, it's ringing.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Who's that?
Your girlfriend. Remember you told me you have a meeting with her today?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Talk to her.
Okay. Hello? What is it now? What is it? Why are you calling me? Are you okay? I don't understand. Did I not send you money the other day? Oh, fine, okay? I'll send you another money. Don't even try to call me again for money. Fine, I will send it. Goodness. What kind of people is this?
Okay, I'll go.
Mind up.
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
Any morning.
Calm down first. Let me handle it first. Ogom, why?
This early morning visit. I hope all is well.
Ogom, why? You know, would you give us it?
My love, I'm finished.
Finished
Hey,
what?
I'm finished. Oh, I don't remember. I'm finished.
What happened? Why are you finishing?
It's my mom. Oh.
Your mom?
My mom.
Your mom finished you?
No. My mom fell at the market.
How? What happened? Who told you?
It's Mama Cynthia. Oh. Mama Cynthia just called me now and told me that my mom fell at the market just now.
Don't amazing.
Babe, please, I beg you, we have to go to the village. Please, I don't want my mother to die. Please, go to the village.
No, expenses. See, I want to go and see somebody. I can't go to the village now. See, what happened? You will rush. They will go to no one can need it. Go. It's not me it's not my mother.
Okay. Give me money. Let me rush her to the hospital. I don't want my mother to die. Let me take her to the hospital, please. You have to help me, baby, please.
Anytime you run and shout out from inside, it's money.
Please.
Hey. You know we don't have money. How much will I give you now?
Give me 300,000. 300,000.
Nebe. How?
Baby, we're talking about my mother here. You want my mother to die? I want to take my mother to the hospital. She just
But the 300,000 is too much now. The 300,000 is too much.
My mother is important.
That's the only money I have now. The money that we left from this Akonwata now.
Okay, give
what
me
is
250. Give me 250. I can manage 250.
Which one I should give you 250? Are we pricing it? From 300 to 250? Are you pricing your mother's hospital?
No, my mother is sick. I need to take my mother to the hospital.
No, I don't like what you are. I don't like expenses. All the phone for now. See, I'm going to give you 200. 200. Can't you 100,000? Check on
Give me 250. 250. So I can use it to take care of my mother, take care of the bills. Give me 250.
250?
Yes.
So are we pricing it? Are we not pricing your mother's hospital bed? From 200 to 250? Now you are saying the quality 250 something thousand, 240 naira. Now, see, I'm going to give you 230. In fact, 230,000, 850 naira. You can keep the kobo.
Let me just go inside and prepare.
Go and change, please. Go and dress up. I will send it.
Send me the money now. Please.
Go, please. I don't know. Family problem. I don't like family problem. Why is it that any time a man makes money, family problem will fly in? Today your mother's leg, tomorrow your mother's headache, tomorrow your backbone, tomorrow I fall. Until I go once my money finish, your mother will become okay. If I get money again, she should be sick again. In fact, after this one, let her die. Let her die, let me rest. My mother don't used to be that kind of sick. It's always your mother.
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Mama, listen.
Osinachi, where's my daughter?
Hold on, Mama.
Osinachi,
Mama.
you use my daughter for ritual.
Calm down. Whatever thing she says now is to be ignored.
Mama, how can you say a thing like that? Mama, how can you say a thing like that about me?
She's not complete. She's not saying it complete. Allow her.
I used her daughter for money.
It's a lie. We all
know
that.
Why would
that guy do that? Honestly, if that guy tries that rubbish again, I am going to replace all of them with a new set of people. Do you get? Because we really need to be careful here. Anyway, it's even nothing to worry about because they don't even know where I stay.
Babe, listen. We have to be very careful with these people. You see this game we are playing? If it leaks, we are doomed for life.
Yes. And who is going to leak it? I planned everything myself. I have everything planned out. Everything is undercover. Nobody is going to leak it. Are you planning to leak it?
No.
Ah. Moreover, they don't even know OC. Not to talk of Ako. They don't know anybody. They don't know where I stay. So nothing is leaking.
Okay, if you said so. But this game we are playing is affecting us very well. That guy go mad though. He go mad.
Make him mad now. Like your papa. Abi, is he your brother? Or your boyfriend?
I'm
Hey, let him run mad for all I care. See, I am tired of waiting and hoping that things might get better one day. I am tired.
Can you remember I told you to divorce this guy? Very simple. Divorce him, move on with your life. Him too will move on with his life. Very simple.
Janet, relax. Soon OC will forget about me and move on with his life. Okay? Just relax. You panic too much. Moreover, Ako already promised to send me outside his country to live and enjoy my life.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You mean he can do that for you?
Ako is very rich. He is sexy, good in bed. He is wealthy. I mean, looking at him alone gives me this hard on. I'm telling you. Did I tell you he gave my mom 500,000 when he came to the house? And he promised to be paying her monthly once he gets married to me. I'm not playing. He even said he'll be giving me 2 million naira every month once we get married.
That guy has money. That guy Jinko. That guy has money.
I don't catch it.
Jesus Christ.
He has money is understatement. Aku is money. Aku is madly in love with me. You see this game? I will see to the end of it. I tell you. I say people they come Aku house to beg for money.
You don't even come to come and
relax.
Take my own money.
Hey, Janet, you have to stay close to OC.
Very close.
Very close. Monitor his movements.
Okay.
See, I don't need mistakes.
We
have to play this game like professionals.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
There's no problem. But that guy is very lazy. Very, very lazy. What is wrong with him?
OC. OC's surname is lazy.
Really?
OC, laziness. The only thing he knows how to do is to shower you with love. So much love.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You see why I told you that you have big eyes. They go the one. See fine boy with plenty money. Hey, welcome my son.
Thank you very much. I can see where she got the beauty from. She got it from you.
My dear, I'm so happy. Your children will be very beautiful. Now, if you see my late husband, the father, hey, tall, lanky, dark and cute. In fact, whenever I see her face, I remember my late husband. So that's where she.
That's right.
Yeah.
Your mom is such a very nice.
Yeah, she is.
Please, I have to get something for you. You have to take something.
No problem, it's fine.
Oh, no.
We'll just wait. Yeah. So you didn't tell me your dad is.
How did you go? What about the man? Did he show you the house?
No, we're not lucky. He said we didn't bring the money on time. That the house has been taken.
Hi. How much do we even have now? How much do we have on us?
Unfortunately, we don't have enough. But I have hope. A friend of mine promised to give me $1 million, but he's yet to send it.
Is he going to give it to you?
Yes, I know him. He's my friend from way back. I'm sure he will.
Oh.
Let's go now. Let's talk about this somewhere else, yeah?
I'm tired though. I'm really tired.
Rita, come. Let's go. Let's go.
You see why I told you I don't like salary earners? They are full of stories. Their money is counted. They don't behave like all these businessmen. Oh.
I am confused and tired. Mama, I am completely tired. I don't know what to do again, no.
Married that is not up to 2 years. I knew it. I knew it. When this man came to the village and decided that he will use money to settle all these traditional things, I knew that he doesn't have anything. Also, everything is open. Thank God, you seen it.
The worst is that Osi doesn't even want to work. He doesn't have the strength to work. Osi cannot hustle like a man. All he does is to, when he wakes up in the morning, he goes straight to the mirror. He stands right there and admire himself. He will admire himself, look at himself, admire himself like he's a woman. That's all he does.
Fine boy without 10 kobo in pocket.
Hi.
I never wanted you to marry this man. I told him ke nuonya. But you are so carried away by his handsomeness. Ochako maka. 10 kobo. Adron hapa. I said it.
Mama, I'm pregnant.
Pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
Hey!
Mama, I am 3 weeks gone.
Mama,
I don't even know how to... Mama, how am I going to stay in this house? Stay in this village with my pregnancy? Mama, how am I going to cope?
You're not going to stay here. Let him go and look for money and find house in the city so that he will come and carry you. I don't want people to start insinuating, gossiping around that my daughter married and came back to stay with me in the village. Let him go and hustle. When my mates are enjoying their children, you expect me to be telling stories. Please, tell him, okay, I'm a hustle. Maybe rice in cave or so that 2 of you will be eating. A beautiful girl like you.
Hi.
Eh? Hey!
Mama, it's okay.
You have to do something. Give a okay.
Hi.
Now you okay?
How can I be okay? How can I be fine? I feel hurt. I feel pain. I feel bad for myself for being subjected to this situation. When will this end?
What are you going to do? It has happened. For me as your mother, I'm not happy about the whole thing. To be honest with you. I'm not happy. Eh? You are the one supposed to be taking care of me. But look at the whole thing. I'm not happy as your mother too. Let's stop crying. Everything will be fine. Biko.
Mama, how do I bring in a child into this world to suffer? How do I... what kind of a mother would that make me?
Your phone is ringing.
Rosita, Mama, please. I don't want to talk to Osi. I don't even want to see him. I hate him so much. I detest him. I don't want to talk to him. Mama, I want to abort this child. I want to abort this pregnancy and run away. For good, I want to divorce him. I am done. Completely.
Such thing. I'm not in support of that. Pick, maybe he has good news for us. Please. Go. Pick the call.
Hello, what is it? What? Please talk, what is it? She passed? Oh my goodness. They just called you. Oh my God. Okay.
Mama, what happened? Yeah?
His younger sister just passed during childbearing.
Shimo Ozagia. Hey!
Oh, Kai! Mama, I told you. Mama, did I not tell you? Nothing good will ever come out of this man. Omen, bad omen. Everywhere he goes, it follows him like a plague. Omen, bad luck. Mama, how did I end up with a man like this? Because he's fine. How did I end up with a man like this?
Stop crying. You will harm yourself. Be one.
Why is life so unfair to me?
Stop that talk. Stop this rubbish talk. Usnachi, look at your sister. She's now a mother. Her child is alive. And she has other kids. You forget? This is time for you to stand as a man. Stand on your feet as a man and challenge it. You confirm that your wife, Rita, is carrying your baby. It's enough reason for you to face it squarely.
So what are we going to do? How are we going to go about it?
Her husband reached out to me today. He asked for financial assistance, but I don't have any to give him. My point is, where is he going to get the money for her funeral?
You don't have.
Tell him you don't have. There is no money anywhere. You don't have. It is that simple.
But that's my only sister we're talking about here.
So what? And so what? Usita, don't even get me started. Is it not enough shame that you're squatting with a friend in the city? And your wife, your pregnant wife, stays with her mother in the village? And you're here telling me rubbish. Is your sister not married? Does the husband not work? He has a job, of course. Osinachi, please, don't even get me started. Don't get me started. Please.
You worry too much. Stop worrying yourself. Don't harm yourself. As it is now, me, your mother, I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do, to be honest with you. Hey.
I'll divorce Osi. I will abort this pregnancy. And I will disappear. I swear.
Did I hear you well? Abort the pregnancy. You don't do such thing. It's an abomination. You're a married woman. To go and abort a pregnancy your husband needs. No. When people will talk.
Let them talk, oh! Mama, let them talk. Do I look like I care? I don't care. Let Osi do the right thing. Mama, how did we even end up in this village? How did we get back to this village? To become village settlers? Really? Village champions? For how long? For how long are we going to continue like this?
He said when things get better, he will look for a painting job. To start doing. What do you think, Mom?
When is that? Osi that I know is a lazy man. Osi is so lazy. Osi is too soft, too fragile, always conscious of his skin color. A man. Mama. Hi. Mama, I am too beautiful to suffer. No, I can't suffer like this. No.
Life does not go that way. At times, it doesn't work the way we plan. That you're a beautiful girl does not mean that everything will just work out for you. Biko one. Just take it easy. Everything will be fine.
Mama, look at you. I can't even take care of you. I can't even take care of myself properly. Not to talk of bringing in a child into this world. How am I going to survive? How are we going to survive? How am I supposed to take care of my child? Mama, I give Osita a few months to get his shit right. Because when I start, people shouldn't call me a heartless wife.
One, as it is now. Zobongwege. Just if you know whatever you want that will give you joy, go ahead and do it. Forget about this Unkutankunwoke. I told you this man is Unkutankunwoke. Just fight for nothing. Please, if you know what will benefit you, go ahead and do it. Your mother is giving you support. Oh my God.
Hey, where is this?
Is this side? How may we help you?
We come to collect our youth levy. You know the due date has passed, so we need the money now.
Youth levy?
Yes, go on.
Here.
Osi, come. We are here to collect the youth levy. Huh? We are here to collect the youth levy. And your youth levy is 6,500 naira.
And we notice that you have not been coming to meeting. We are not seeing your presence for anything. So we have checked, and the total money you are owing us now is 18,900. And you are going to pay it now.
I don't understand. 18 what?
Sorry, are you here to harass my wife and I? Okay. What did you come for?
Okay. Better give us our money now. Or else, if you enter here, anything we see for that place, we will collect and come here.
Probably get out of this place. Are you stupid? You can't even speak proper English. Anything we see for here, we go. Are you? Get out of this place.
Give us the money. Give us the money.
Calm down and give us the money. Or anything you see, you take it. Listen, I'll warn you for the last time. If I go in and come out and still meet you here, you'll be in trouble.
Are you just challenging us?
Are you stupid? Are you still there? Are you still there?
Why fight the village youths? Why were you fighting them? They are simply doing their job.
You see, that money is compulsory. It must be paid. So whether you fight them or not, you must pay it. Even if you fight them or not, you must pay it.
Iche, is that what they told you? That I fought them? They are too small. I can't fight them. I only chased them away. Those boys were very disrespectful. They were harassing my wife. I chased them away. Besides, I don't have 18,900 to give to anyone. We barely eat in this house. We don't have food.
Then wake up. Yes, wake up from slumber. OC, you are now in the village. Wake up and begin to hustle more than you have never hustled before.
Do what you must do. Remember, you are a professional painter. You can go ahead and hustle for painting work.
I am a professional painter. But I don't know anyone to give me a painting job in this village. I don't know anyone.
Then consider farm work.
Yes, young men like you make it in this village through farm work. By waiting for others. By working for people. And they pay you. Do you know that they pay as much as 45,000 naira per plot.
45,000.
45,000.
Are you serious?
And if you are strong enough, you can do it in 2 days.
Wow.
Osita, please don't tell me that you're trying to consider this. No, I don't understand now. Consider farm work as what? Why? Why must he do a farm job?
Nee, hold on now. You don't understand. He just asked me to look for a means to survive. And he suggested clearing people's farm that I can make as much as 45,000 naira. That's a lot of money. You can even help me. We can go together. We can do the job together.
Osita, please! Please! Do not get me involved.
How?
What is it now? What are you saying now?
He said I should go.
Imagine me, farming, rather rigging someone's farm, or even Osinachi. Osinachi, can you even differentiate between a cutlass, a hoe, a shovel, a packer?
What are you talking about? Am I not a painter?
What you mean?
Am I not a professional painter? What's the difference?
I'm not a farmer.
It's the same hard work.
What hard work are you talking about?
I'm saying that you should come with me. Let us do the job together.
Fine! Do not get me involved.
How?
Okay? Do whatever you have to do to get me out of this village, but don't get me involved.
Okay, now you want me to get you out of the... How do I get the money from?
Osinachi.
He just suggested that we go clear a farm.
Osinachi.
And I'm asking you to come with me. So why
Osinachi, if you don't work so hard to get me out of this village, I swear on God, I am going to run away.
You're going to run away?
I'm going to disappear. I will leave you and I will run.
You will run to where?
Don't even try me.
I'm asking so you can't help your husband in the farm. Is that what you're saying?
Really?
You can't help your husband in the farm.
Consider farming? Oh, you want me to farm?
He asked me to work harder
really farm?
because you're pregnant, for crying out loud.
Why?
So where do I get the money from?
Don't even consider farming.
That's the
thing. Do not consider farming.
But there's nobody to give me a painting job. There's no one to give me a painting job.
Bend down now. This is not how to read. What happens to all these places? See, grass is everywhere. This is not how to walk. As a proper Igbo man, you have to bend down. Bend down. They say, bend down your waist and walk. Rig like a man. Rig.
Oh, my back.
Shebi, you want 45,000 naira. You will eat 45,000 naira.
Oh, my back.
Your back? Oh, what do you want me to do? Huh? You want me to massage you? Huh? You want me to walk? Oh, no food for a lazy man.
Rita, why are you so heartless? Rita, why are you so heartless? I'm asking you. Are you not my wife? Are you not supposed to help out? What are you doing sitting down there? So why did you come to the farm with me? Are you not supposed to help me?
You want me to help out? No, you want me to share hard labor with you?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Osinachi, you're a wicked man.
How?
Osinachi, you are very heartless. See the mean? Osinachi, you want me to read with you? Can you even hear yourself? No, it's fine. No problem. Eh? You want me to do the job with you? Okay, no problem. Oh yeah. Give me the cutlass. No problem. Hey! Osinachi!
What?
You gave me cutlass. People come and see you. Osinachi want me to do hard labor.
Are you not my wife?
My baby.
Are you?
Osinachi, you want me to?
I just say you will not.
Osinachi, you want me to do
What is going on here, Osi?
Good evening, sir.
Hold your video. Is this how you will finish the farm in 2 days?
Sir, just give me a few hours and I'll be done with the job, sir. It's almost done, sir.
They said you are lazy. I didn't believe them. I have come to see, so it is true.
Lazy how, sir?
In fact, I think you have to stop work.
Sir, stop. I told you to give me a few hours and I'll do the job.
Stop. I say you have to stop.
I said give me a few hours and I'll be done with the job, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you listen to gossip? Is that why you gave me the job?
Osi, I don't listen to what people say. Stop working. I will give you your daily pay when you are done. Don't say I didn't tell you.
But sir, I said give me 2 hours and it will, my wife just wanted to help me. Just give me 2 hours and it will be
I
done,
don't want
sir.
to help him, Mom. If you think he's a lazy man he is.
Give me the knife. Give me
You
the
want to
cutlass.
walk?
Give me the cutlass.
You
can
want
sit down.
5,000?
Give me the cutlass. You can sit down. Tomorrow you tell me to.
Why are you taking it
No,
from me?
tomorrow you tell me to look for money
Allow me
and take
to
you out of
walk
town.
and lose this pregnancy.
You want me to lose my pregnancy? You're blackmailing me emotionally.
You're a lazy man.
That's what you're doing. You're blackmailing me emotionally.
You're here exchanging words with me.
You're blackmailing me emotionally. Give me my cutlass.
Walk. Take and walk.
Give me my cutlass.
Take your cutlass. Walk.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all. Now tell me, what are you going to do with this 5,000 naira you are paid now?
Oh, Iche, wait. Hey, Iche, what do you want me to do?
You need to improve.
I'm not used to farm work. I'm a professional painter.
Because you have been in the city for years and now you have failed. Tell me what we are used to.
Just like once I go back to the city, everything will be fine. I'll start making more money.
You were in the city all these years. What did you do?
Ask my wife, she knows.
Please. Don't even drag me into this. Okay? I am having a very deadly mood swing, so do not get me involved in this.
Iche, all I need you to do, kindly look for people I can work for. I want to paint for people. That is what I know how to do.
No problem. I will do that. I will get a contact or two. Huh?
What is it? What happened?
What is it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I think we're losing our baby.
Losing the baby? How?
I don't know.
What happened?
I was cooking and then I felt this sharp pain. And then the blood started coming out. Then I think we're losing our baby. We're losing our baby. Ah!
Wait. Okay, just stay here. We need to go to the hospital now. Okay?
But we don't have any money.
Huh?
We don't have any
I'll get the little money I have now. Just wait. Come.
Okay.
Come. Stay here. Stay here. Just wait. Wait for me. Sorry.
Babe, you know we are in this together and you are my best friend. So I want you to tell me the truth. Are you the one that removed the pregnancy?
If I did, why should I hide it from you? You're my friend. I don't have any reason to hide it from you or to hide it from him. Moreover, I'm dead to him right now. Right? I don't have any reason to. I didn't.
That was so bad.
I didn't.
That was so bad.
My dear, that was when I heard directly from God to run. He said, my daughter, pack your things and run from this man. Run for your life. And then I ran. 1 month later, I went with my mom to bury his elder brother, and that was where I met the man of my dream, Akko. God just sent Akko directly to me. Like, hey, it was so miraculous. You could see that God is really at work. I mean, God is at work. What God cannot do
does not exist. My sister, hold that guy very tight. That Akonwata is meant for you.
Hey,
hold him very tight, oh.
Akonwata is mine. I go nowhere. We die there together. He's mine. Meanwhile, I came with this cheap phone Akko got for me. Stone it on his face. Stone it as you're giving it to him. Stone his eyes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Please give it back to him.
Well, as long as this pays me well, I don't care. After all, Osi is not even my brother. Very soon he will leave this country.
So I need to call my mom to know how things are going.
Oh, don't do that, oh. I will be the one to call your mother. You know your mother now, she's very old. She might mistakenly call your name. So don't worry, I will be the one to call her. Please. Okay? Okay. See that she stone OCD's phone back?
That's stone it on his eyes.
Orita Nwam. At the moment, I'm fine, my daughter, as you can see. How are you? Yes, so they've gone. Don't mind the man. So no, you need to see the film I acted for them. Trust your mother. I really showed them that is, hey, real madness. In fact, they have to run away. Both of them. You know, I even accused him of using, making money ritual. You don't know what I can do. Of course, so that he will go and bury his head in shame. Yes. Hey! Mom, you need to act fast too. Just do whatever you can do so that this man will come and marry you and take you abroad. Oh? Don't mind that useless, poor wretched. I don't even know how to put it. Don't mind him. Everything is going to work out fine. Watch and see. Your mother is at work now. Of him, I didn't mean well. Okay. Wait, don't call to. Remember to tell him to send money. You know I need money now. Hey! Odogun Dalo. Oh? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. I want to go to the market. Thank you, my daughter. Oh. Hey! This time around, everything is going to work out. Agnes is at work. God, I thank you. Thank you very much. You have done it for me. Hey! Open my lot, Batago.
Enough. Osi, be a man. Eh? You have cried enough concerning what she told you out of pain.
Iche, you don't understand. You don't understand. That woman has never liked me for one day. Iche, you know how much I loved my wife. Imagine accusing me of killing my own wife and using her for money ritual.
Don't mind that woman, please. Disregard all she told you. Eh? You and I knows too well that she was talking out of pains. Leave her! The most important thing now for us to do is to go ahead and return that corpse from that mortuary in the city back to where it will be close to us. That's the most important thing. I don't even know why Janet and others decided to take the...
Janet said she took her to the mortuary from the hospital.
It is not done. Yes, not done. Because before you take any corpse to the mortuary, you will first of all contact the family. Yes.
But Janet is like family to me. Besides, if they leave the corpse there, they will charge more money.
Listen, Osi. Let's look for money to bring her home and bury. Then plan for the proper burial later. Huh?
Where do I get money from?
Why are you crying like this? Your mother is not dead yet now. Your mother is not dead yet. Why are you crying like as if she's dead? Did she die?
You should have come with me and see my mother. My mother is dying. She's almost dead. And I don't have money to treat her. I don't have money to take her to the hospital. The money he gave to me is not enough. I need money to treat my mother.
That one is what you stop. Which one? The money I gave you? The money Akonwata gave me. And now I'm giving it out. They're going to reach me something. Now you are telling me that it's not enough. Where will I get that? There's not another account any other place. So it's only this account. And he will not agree to give us another one. So you have to calm down. Oh. Calm down. Your mother is not there and she's not going to die. Because
Babe.
Stop crying.
Babe, you are my mother's only in-law. You should go out there and look for money, borrow, ask, just do anything to save my mother. I don't want my mother to die, please. Just give me money to save my mother.
So because I'm your mother's first in-law, I should go and borrow thief now. The place I'm supposed to go and borrow, I've gone there to borrow. Now you have taken it to her place, to the hospital. It's not enough. Where will I borrow again?
I need money to save my mother, please.
Yes, let's go inside. Go there, why?
Go and borrow money. Look for
who?
money, please. Anybody.
Anybody I see, I should borrow money from. You, I want a human being. Or borrow me now. Now let me borrow from you. You can't rush your mother to the hospital, rush your husband to the hospital. Oh, very bad for you. But you can't go. See, let's go inside first. Let me. Get up.
I need money to save my mother. I'm not
Me too, I need money. Me too, I need money. Because my own mother will start having care leg too. What is all these things? Every time your mother. Your mother may go mother baby. Get up first.
Are you going to give me the money?
When I get it, maybe I can make some
Give me the money, oh. I don't want my mother to die. Give me the money.
But go inside, please.
Sorry, my head was banging, so I decided to sleep a little, just get some rest.
Stop this. You're hurting yourself.
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Sorry, I came back late last night. I couldn't come here.
That's okay. Did you get the form?
Yes. Stop this thing you are doing. You are hurting yourself. Stop. Bikon.
Do you have a charger?
You don't have to put the phone on. See, hide this phone. You don't need this phone. If possible, let me have the phone. You don't need this phone at all, so that it doesn't remind you of her. This is okay. What do you want to eat? Let me prepare for you.
You know what? I think you're right. I don't even have the password, so there's no point.
You see, you don't need the phone. Oh? So now tell me, what do you want to eat?
Oh no, I'm just tired. Iche insisted that we bring back her corpse from the city to the village. That there are closer mortuaries around us, so we have to bring her corpse back.
Osi, save that money for the burial. It's better. Yes, you save the money for the burial.
Janet, funerals are very costly now. I was thinking we bring her corpse first, then we can now wait and plan and see how we can raise more money for her funeral. I don't have enough money for her funeral right now.
There's no problem, but for now, rest your head. Let me prepare something for you to eat.
I'm not hungry.
But listen, any move you want to make, tell me first. Oh? I'm like your guiding angel.
Yeah, but I've been telling you now.
Anyone at all, don't hide anything from me.
I'm not hiding anything from you. I tell you everything I'm doing.
Okay.
I just told you now what Iche said. He
Yes.
said we have to get her corpse from the city to the village because the mortuaries here are closer to us.
I'm just telling you in case
No
you want to
problem.
make any move.
Let me go and prepare something for you to eat. Come, guys.
That big name business. Huh? Nah, did get your woman now? But thank God for our game changer. I holler her, oh boy, she responded. And she pay me now. She give you that money. Not for you. Are you serious? Guy, that woman is in money. She is loaded. Now why? Oh, but she they loaded. Oh, but a woman will go feel fake her death. Tell me what she do. Look, that woman is in for something. She dey plan something big. And Obama, I tell you something. I go dey bill her. Now, man, I go dey bill her daily, on daily basis, and daily bazooka. Now, what for you? If she no gree, I go expose her now. Come out this format, you no go work.
How is it possible for you to expose somebody that you don't even know? You don't know her brother, her sister, you don't even know her family, you don't even know her husband. Nah, you forget the
yeah, I go record her. I go record her, send it online. People will know and go see them, then go recognize her. Not for you.
It makes sense.
No, not they make sense.
What move?
This is sense now. No, your sense don't come back now. Oh, sure, sir. I go call this woman. Oh. Yes, now. You know, my language is not woman. And I get you. So I need to go to my own make as it be.
I'm telling you the gospel truth. Yes. A car accident. As I speak with you, she's in a mortuary. And the present problem now is we need to bring her to the village. No, she's in the mortuary in the city. But it's too far. Yes, we need to bring her to the village. There are mortuaries that are close by. So I don't have any money. That's what I'm telling you. Even 10,000 naira, I don't have. I need your help. Anything you can help me with, my brother, I'll appreciate it, please. Yes. Exactly. We have to bring her. We have to bring her corpse. Yes, exactly. We have to bring her corpse. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, here the first time. Arrest him.
Sir, it hasn't got into this now.
It hasn't got into what?
Have you been here?
No, I just came.
But sir, it hasn't got into you getting me arrested.
How do you mean? Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you? I warned you. You are quick to take job easily. Collect money. Deliver the job you will not deliver. Refund money you will not refund. What do you want me to do? Officer,
are you this mean?
I told you I love you.
You're under arrest.
Switch your contract. Sir, let me explain myself. Sir, hold on. Sir, I lost my wife. I lost my wife.
Don't worry, we explain to you. Don't worry.
So why are you doing this to me?
My friend, move.
Are you sure you want to do this, sir? Are you sure you want to arrest a widower? You want to arrest a widower, sir? Are you sure you want to do this?
Hi, girl. What? How? I don't understand. Why? How? Is it not even better? Listen, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah, okay.
Sugar. Who was that?
My friend. She said her brother was arrested. And hold on.
We're running late.
Yeah, I'm right behind you, baby.
Sorry, I'll be outside.
Okay. I don't understand. What's that supposed to mean? What? You must be joking. I can hear you. Are you okay? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Okay. Please, I'll call you back. Okay? I'll call you shortly.
Manage this woman, oh. She banged the call on me, oh. Eh? Makachi? But that one bad now. Ah, boy. This woman just. Guy, calm down. You know, see, this is not the workout like. You know, say you just, see, no rush. Just calm down. I know, say you been talking about house rent and all these things. Which one? Say no rush. No, because you don't collect your own. No, be like that now. Like this now, at the verse, the thing now just scatter my head. See, I get so many bills to settle, guy. In fact, you see, I go make sure, say, I bumper this woman with message. I go make, if she don't pay me 50K, I go do everything possible. She go see am. Boy, cut that guy. Your body, your brother hot to take a see now small. See, you know as it take me to enter that woman, I gradual, small, you gonna meander. No for you, no rush now. Well, like this, I be best. You don't laugh me.
Oh, shit. Why is this man doing this, eh? Because of 200,000 naira, a mere 200K. Listen, Osi, listen. Say no more. Just send me your address. I'm coming to your village right away. Yes. Obiaruku Abi. The road that leads to Warina by Sapele. Yes, I know the place. But just calm down, okay? I'm coming to your village right away. I dey come, man. Just calm down, I dey come. What has befallen my guy, you see? From one problem to the other. Bad enough is he has relocated back to the village and this arrest, police, station.
Babe, this thing you are doing is not nice. It's not nice at all. You are here drinking while our situation is getting bad. Why are you doing this? Is it drinking that will solve our problem?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Go back to Ako. Go back to him.
A man that does not have money in the night, is it in the morning that you have money? Allow me to drink and think of my life, think of how things will go, think of what I'm going to do. I don't know what else to do.
Go back to him. Tell him something. Talk to him. Beg him for money. See.
Ako, that you have spoiled my way. Ako, that you have spoiled my way of going to beg him money. What else will I tell him?
Tell him something, anything. Just tell him. See, I don't want my mother to die. Oh. If my mother die, I will not forgive you. I will leave you and you die lonely.
Tell your mother not to die yet. Tell your mother not to die yet. Yeah? What is all this? I don't even know why is it that anytime I ask her, I can't want to give me money. Something will come and take it. Anytime I can't want to give me money, something will come and take it. What is all this?
It's all your fault. Why did you lie to him? Yes. If you do not lie about sickness to Ako, my mother will not be sick. Look at, you just lied because of money. You lied about sickness. My mother is sick now. My mother that was healthy, my mother that was strong. Better go to Ako and tell him anything you want to tell him. I need money to save my mother. I need money. Because if my mother die, I will kill you and kill myself.
You're planning to kill me?
Yes.
You kill yourself and join your mother? Eh? See, I don't know what to do. Tell your mother to stop, continue to breathe. Let her continue to breathe because there's no money for burial if she die now. If she die now, there's no money for burial.
Man, I don't know what you're saying, Better go out there, you're a man. Talk to your fellow man. Don't lie about sickness. Don't lie. Just tell them to give you money. You need money. Stop lying. Just go out there, say something, beg money, and you're here drinking. You see this drinking, you not drink it again. Even though you're here drinking, better go outside and look for money and stop drinking.
Give me my drink.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Give me my drink.
Leave me alone. You will not drink this.
Give me my drink.
You will not drink this.
Give me my drink. You want to start war?
You will not drink.
You want to start war?
I will throw it away.
You want to start war?
You will not. Leave me alone.
You are not going anywhere.
Go and beg for money.
I should go and beg.
Go and beg for money.
Am I a beggar?
Go and beg for
Am I a beggar?
Leave me alone.
Am I a beggar? Janet, I have the transport money now. Come, let's go to the police station. Let me see what, because I don't know what's happening there now.
Each year he has been bailed. As we speak now, he's on his way back to the village.
So fast?
So fast though. His friend came to bail him. I think he also paid the money.
Oh.
So let's wait for him to come back.
Okay. I should wait for him to come back. Because I don't know what... Let me even know what is happening to Osi. He should go and look for the root cause of his problems. Yes, he should go and look for it.
His problems.
Is it normal? Is it normal? Well, his life will be going like this every time. Every time, every day, every trouble. I mean, one day, one trouble. Huh?
I think same way. From his painting work to his sister. From his sister to his wife. One day, one trouble. From problem to problem. From here to here. I don't even know what is happening to
the
his
question is he cursed?
I think he's cursed.
I know I delayed, but why did we arrest him? I pleaded to give me some more time, but he refused and got me arrested.
That man is lucky. If it was in the city, he wouldn't have had the opportunity to try this rubbish because of 200,000. It meant 200,000.
Aloy, now I have spent 200,000 naira I did not plan. Where am I supposed to get money from?
Do you know what's annoying me? If it was in the city, that man wouldn't have tried this rubbish. All because of a mere 200,000 naira. 200k. You know what? I can't wait for you to leave this village. Just bury your wife immediately and get out of this village.
I can't wait to lay Rita to rest. But the point is, where do I get the money from? Where? I don't have money.
Money? Okay, you know what? I'll take you to meet my friend, Amobi. Yes, he's Oga. He's a philanthropist. You like him. He borrows people's money as if there is no tomorrow. The man enjoys giving people money to do business, do all sorts of things. I'm sure he will give you the money.
Aloy, are you sure they can help you?
Yes, they can help you.
Are you sure?
Even if the man doesn't help you, he has companies. You can go there and get a job and work out the money yourself. Yes, now. See, don't think about it. Let's go first.
Tonto, I'm a shadow of myself. I'm no longer myself.
Are you sure? He will give it to you. It's not Amobi, our friend.
Try to lock the gate. You know we are working this down. I'm going to the city with my friend. We're supposed to meet up with one of our friends that promised to assist us.
Exactly.
You are going to the city?
Yes.
You didn't tell me. We didn't discuss that.
Discuss that with you?
Yes.
Janet, listen to me. I'm not in the right frame of mind right now. Okay. Do you understand? Mama, I'm searching for money.
Okay.
And besides, I might not have all the time in the world to discuss this with you. You know what? Let's just go. Let's go. What?
Don't do this now. You should include me in your plans so that I will advise you better. Don't you know?
Oh, advise me?
Yes.
On what?
On many things.
Oh, Janet, you've been seeing me every time. Okay, advise me. How do I make money now? Advise me. Tell me where to go and get money. Please, come. Let's go.
From this problem to this problem, what are we going to do now?
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine.
You look good.
I know, right?
Oh, Nna, how are you, my son?
Baluma.
You are welcome. Hey, Nna. Hello, Rita.
Please, just a second, okay? I'll be back. Oh, please.
Okay.
So you are the Odogu that has been spending money on me without knowing me.
Mama, Omu abu akumata no rumba.
No rumba. You are welcome, my son.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Mwamo. Ah, thank you for coming into the life of my daughter. Please, come and sit down. Let's go and sit down.
Okay, let's go.
Put me in trouble. Hello? Can you hear me? Rita, there is a problem. A very big problem is between somebody, Rita. Rita, as I'm talking to you now, OC is on his way to the city. Yes! How am I supposed to know? He didn't tell me anything. He only said he's going to the city to take a loan from someone for the burial. Yes! He didn't tell me anything. Hey, Chineke, we are all together yesterday when he came in with the guy. Ichi is not even aware of all this. Rita, I told you, I told you, don't implicate me, oh, please. You are at your mother's place. You have to be fast and leave that place in case so.
He's crying like a baby, as in, the matter is so pressing. He needs this money. Yes. Okay. Okay, we should wait for you. You are coming. Okay, fine, we'll wait. Thank you. What did he say? He said we should wait for him. He took his Oga to his new wife's house. That they'll be back in the evening.
He said we should wait for him?
Yes, now, which one is that? He said we should wait for him. You know what, wait, you get choice. Eh? We should wait for him now. You're sounding as if the money is your money. Listen, we'll wait for him. If it's where you will crash, there's no problem. You can sleep at my place, eh? But before you stay in my house, let's go to one restaurant. If a bottle or two, let's just use it to step down while we wait for him to come back.
Aloy, it's okay. I don't have a problem. Okay. I can wait.
All right,
okay. I suggest we use this opportunity to see my wife at the mortuary.
Mortuary? No, which one is mortuary?
Aloy, what is wrong with you now? That's my wife. Why are you being disrespectful to the dead? That's my wife. Besides, I need to see the mortician to ensure that he's been taking care of my wife.
I feel your pain, no? I'm sorry for disrespecting her. So sorry.
Can we go?
Yes.
Let's go.
Which way?
Let's go.
Okay.
Mama, there will be no need for that. We'll be taking our leave.
Yes, Mama. We'll be leaving soon. But first, I need you to relax. He has something to discuss with you, so just relax.
Okay. I'm listening.
Mama, I came to let you know that I want to marry your daughter. After the marriage, I will take her abroad to further her master's degree, as I promised.
I'm happy to hear this. Hey! I don't need anybody to tell me that you're a blessing to me and my daughter. In fact, we've suffered so much. Welcome.
It's nothing, Mama. It's nothing. She can tell you what I do for outsiders. Talk more of the apple of my eyes. The woman I love so much. The woman I can do anything for. I suggest you update your kingsmen. We would have waited for them to come, but we don't have much time.
Forget. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. Eh?
Mama, like I said,
let's wait here for the mortician to come out. Let me knock on the door. No, don't go and knock on the door now. Why are you acting as if you have one bedroom flat here? Eh? Calm down, listen. Okay, you know what? Just call him on the phone. Just call him.
I don't have his number.
You don't do... You don't have his
wait,
number?
let me call Janet. Let me call them. Janet would probably just call him. I'm sure Janet has his number.
Huh. Man, this mortuary look different too. From the ones I've visited. Eh? This one looks so scanty. There's nobody coming around here, is it?
She's not picking up.
Ha. Listen, mortuary people used to come there to deposit corpse. This one looks so scanty. There is nobody here.
How am I supposed to know? Do I visit mortuaries? I have no business here now. Let's go.
There's always the first time, eh? There's always the first time.
Hello, C. How are you? Eh? The mortuary man? No, I'm not with his number. I don't have his number. Hey, but OC, why will you go there without me? Eh? Who is going to hold you if you start crying? Hey, OC, that place is very dangerous. OC, if that man is not there, better run out from that place so the cops there will hurt you. Okay. Leave that place now. Let me look for the man's number. Eh? Be fast, so run out from that place. It's not good for you. Okay. Oh. I told Rita this thing. I told this girl. Let's end this thing. Eh? How are we going to end this game without going to jail for fraud? What is all this? Eh? TM na wayalia. Let me make you pick your call. Pick your call, oh. Eh? Hello? Hello, Rita, are you hearing me? Hello? You're on your way back. Okay. Start going there now. I want to call those guys. Start going there now. OC went to the mortuary and is requesting for the man's number. Yes! Hey. Rita, be fast. Start going to that place right now. Start going there. Okay, alright. Okay. Hey. Okay.
Why are you doing this? Okay. Let me see your my Oga is not around. You're not working. My Oga will compound.
My Oga is not around. He's not around. Leave this place, Oga.
What is wrong with you? Oga is not around. Don't you know me? I'm your Oga's friend. Oga, I don't know you. I don't know you. Let me go ahead. I want something better. I want to see your Oga Akomata. This one is not straightforward to me. It's not straightforward.
He's not around. He went out with his woman.
In Anuya now. He is not around. So, Oga, turn back and leave.
See, I don't like the way you're talking. I don't like the way you're talking. Oga will compound. Because you're getting married here with a black cap.
My Oga is not around now.
Oga, be going.
Let me talk to
He's
somebody
not
like
around.
Don't you people know me? I am your guy's friend. Can't I stay here and wait for him to come back?
Oga, you cannot wait for him.
You cannot wait. You cannot wait. We can leave this place now. Leave this place. See. I value my job.
I cannot lose my job because of you.
Nonsense. Okay, say back. Is it not his car again? Is it not his car? See, I want to pass. Go and hustle like my other. Go and make money. Wait, no. On your hand.
Oh, better with choice.
Peggy. Don't get told.
But is it your money? Is the money for you?
It's my money, but.
Allow you.
That's my consign. That's my consign. I am in charge of this gate. I will know who will enter and who will not enter. Who enter there? This is what after they call my car from before,
Oh boy, 6 plots of land altogether. 72 million or more. Now listen, the guy came in there, the next thing he had that was that someone had already paid for the land.
The kind of money where they call here.
Now come the wonder. So how you go buy land? You know, secure. Now what's in brother tell me how they tell you anyway. So those guys now would say they come in and rugged the thing now. Me and they try to bring into the business. Man, I know where they go feel
more this thing
because they need boys.
You know the business. You know the business.
Me and they partially into the now for you. You know say they do.
So they call 72 million like saying I just chicken change. The thing they touch my brain. No, they no go make me. May I go run 1 or 2 again. I swear to God, because like this now, my head they burst. My head. You see that lady, that woman. I swear she get luck. She get luck. Say she answer my call. That woman get luck. Say she send her money. Else she would have seen the other side of me. I swear.
Don't mind her. You know, say, na so women they be but boy, women are very bad. Women are bad. If they see the stuff with this woman, they do. Yeah, how she take the imagine her? Omo, guy. She they pull her and they walk, but we go to call her Bina. I ain't gonna call. Now one day, they put on this woman is in cash.
That woman get mind. She gallant.
If you can't waste time when you go now, bless it. Hey, hello babe, how far? Yeah, there. What is up? Hey, me and my guy, we're there somewhere now as well. I thought you know, me and my guy just there somewhere. Just they take some bottles, so they shut up. Now, right now, as you are talking to me. Okay, no, see, we fall in there, we're going there right straight away as we live here right away, we're going there. No, why would they? I said they go there right now, sharp, no time. So what? Afa, they hear me? Afa now. He say talk now. He say mama husband. There for the mortuary as we talk like this. Huh? Yes, he say man they there. Like this. Oba, these people make a waka. Now call that our keke guy, make come with us.
Call which keke guy? Oba, no just matter. Find keke outside. You know this?
No, I pay the
place is dangerous. Guy, wait up.
Baby.
Yeah.
I'm Obi. I think I need the car key. I have to rush now, okay?
Okay, let me drive you now. Yeah.
No, please. I want to be fast about it. I'll drive myself.
It's okay. Give her the key.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Be careful, okay?
Yeah, baby.
Ugochi.
I am sure that Akunwata is in that house. He doesn't want to see me, it's obvious. I'm sure of that. But Nyadiba.
Wow. But did you see his car?
Don't you know that Amobi used to go out with his car sometimes? But I saw the other car. Shows that he's in the house. He was around. But his gate man and the girl that used to cook for him don't want me to enter. Is that an insult to my personality? You see why I don't like to beg anybody for money? I don't like begging people for money. I work for my money. I eat my money alone. I don't like all this nonsense.
How are you so sure? Did you call him before coming?
I called him. He did not pick. Shows that he knows that I was there. But he doesn't want to answer me because he doesn't want to give me money. Who does that? You see why I don't beg for money? I don't like to ask people for money because I can work for my money.
It's simple. Then go out there and work for your money. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are here begging your fellow man to give you money. You are even here speaking English on top another man money. Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why not go there, work, do something with yourself, make money. See, let me warn you. I will not forgive you if anything happens to my mother. I will not forgive you. Yes. Better go out there and make money like your fellow men. Go and make money.
Are you not the one that sending me to go and beg this money? Are you not the one that sending me go and beg money? Other women are busy supporting their husband to make money. You are busy supporting me to go and beg. Are you not ashamed of yourself for supporting your husband to go and beg for money?
No, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Are you not a man? Don't you have hand? Don't you have muscle? All your mates are working. Didn't he work for his money? Eh? You are here begging him for his own money. See, let me tell you, for this thing you just said, you are a fool. You are a fool. You don't have sense. I thought you have sense, but you don't have sense. You are a fool.
I don't have sense?
Yes.
Because I'm going to beg money to go and treat your mother. See, if your mother, don't let me tell your mother to die, yo. Don't let me tell your mother to die, yo. If she want to die, she let her die. If she want to live, let her live. After I'm not her husband, I'm not her son.
You see why I say
you are your mother's daughter. Go and treat your mother. You sell her.
You see why I say you're a fool? You are telling me that my mother should die. Eh? You're a big fool. You can't go out there and make money. Go and make money. You have hand, you have leg.
Me a fool.
Yes.
Your husband a fool.
Yes.
Me a fool.
Yes, you're a fool.
Me a fool.
Go and make money.
Are you a seller?
Did you just slap me? Eh? You give me.
You are fighting me.
You give
are fighting me.
You give me. Somebody help me up! Somebody help me up!
Let me beat her. Let me slap her. Allow me to teach her a lesson. Can you imagine nonsense here?
It's okay.
You want to fight? Can you imagine? I'll beat her.
Did you just slap me? Did you just slap me?
I'll slap you again. Come. You see this lady?
You slapped me.
Allow me to teach you a lesson.
Leave me alone.
Allow me to teach you a lesson.
Leave me alone.
You want to fight me?
Leave me alone.
You want to fight me?
Leave me alone now.
Calm down.
You want to fight me?
Okay, you slapped me. You
slapped me.
Leave her alone.
Somebody help me.
Nonsense. Let me kill her. Are you mad? Look at this thing about that. I will slap you silly. I will slap you silly. I'll slap you again. I will slap you. Now look at this lazy wife. Lazy wife that is challenging me. They are challenging me. I will slap you silly.
You're calling me lazy? No. You are a beggar. You're a beggar, begging. Always begging. Yes, you're a beggar.
Come on, okay now. Come on, girl.
Did you just slap me again?
I slap you.
Okay, wait and see. I'm coming for you.
She pushed me.
No, what for you?
Did you see that she pushed me?
Why will you be beating her?
She pushed me. She must leave my house today.
Why will you be beating her?
You see today? She must leave my house.
Just like that?
Yes.
Is that why you're beating her?
She must leave my house. Let her go and pack and go. Pack and go. You see this lady? She will pack. Ugochi.
Sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. Call the gate man.
Okay, sir.
You're welcome.
Sit.
You sit down.
No, sit on the floor. Good. Now you listen to me. Something is coming up. So each and every one of you, we have to go to your various houses for the meantime. Please do not disclose whatever information I give to you here to someone who is not here with us. Keep it between us. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, I didn't see him. I didn't see the guy. Guy, I don't check the whole compound. I didn't see this guy. I didn't walk to the junction. That's roadside. He's not there. Now disappear. Let's take on the play.
What you doing this? Where will you have gone to?
Maybe you should call your friend now so that we can know his whereabouts and know what to do now. Abi? I think it's better now. Abi, call him.
Please, sir. Please, I just need your help. Anything you can help me with, God will bless you. Please.
Yeah, my friend. It's like you don't need this money.
No, I need it too.
Are you sure you need this money? Why not call him Akolawata One No Rumba? A very big guy. It's money ego. Money na water. You don't need money.
Akolawata One No Rumba. Please.
Money na water. Call him. Money na water.
But please help me. The truth is, I need to carry my wife from the mortuary and bring her back to the village. Please, I need your help. He told me you can help me and I'm here on my knees begging, please. I need your help. Anything you can offer me, anything, I don't know, anything you can give me, I'll appreciate it, sir.
You see, this is the reason I urge young men to work hard. And not just working hard, but to work smart. So that you can make money to solve your family problems.
Sir, I'm a hard-working man. I lost my job recently. I used to work as a business development manager in one of these paint producing companies. But they fired me, and since that time my life has been... I've been a shadow of myself. I just lost my wife. My young wife. We loved each other so much and she just passed away. And I can't even raise money to bring her corpse from the mortuary. Please, I need your help. Biko, Akunawata, Biko, help me. Please.
Take your seat. Sit.
Sir?
Sit.
Okay, thank you.
I am going to do something about it.
Okay. Thank you
very much.
very
I don't like when young men are going through such a mess. If we look at us, you'll know that definitely we are in the same age range. So I don't like you kneeling down, worshiping me as if I am your God.
I'm just pleading.
You said you have a handwork.
Yes, I used to work in a paint company.
Oh, you're a painter?
Yeah, I used to be their business development manager, yes.
Oh, Amobi.
Oh.
Get us something.
Okay. Sir, I used to work with a company that produces paint. Before something went bad and I was asked to leave. And the moment that happened, every other thing started going bad for me.
Janet, please. Keep calling him to know where he is. Okay? We'll come back tomorrow. Just keep calling him, please. Okay, guys. She said he has gone to collect loan from someone. So what we have to do is we have to go and come back in the morning.
Okay. So, tomorrow is another morning. I mean our allowances.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
I don't understand. What allowance are you talking about?
No.
Guys, please, you guys need to calm down. Did you not call me the other day demanding for money? And you called me today again demanding for money? I don't understand. What is going on?
But
are you guys trying to blackmail me or something?
So are you telling us that if we're in need of money now, you won't give us? Huh?
Calm down.
I don't understand now. Na business, so.
I beg, you need to calm down. How much is even the money? Who tell you I don't go fit afford them? What's happen now? When they calm down, what's happen?
They said it now.
Pay now, pay. Or do transfer for us, I'm not going to go now.
Just do the transfer. Who can live here?
This is not business.
It's okay. I will. But then, you all have to stay here till 6 p.m. just in case he comes back again. I will pay your money. Boniface, in case he comes back, don't allow him come inside if I am not around. Just tell him you're trying to, do some chemical touches and all that.
See, you don't have to worry about that one. Just leave that one for me. Now my job is that's my job. I know exactly what to do. Don't need to worry about that. But please, you just heard what they said. Biko, before you leave, try arrange us now.
Money, be the coconut like this.
Something.
Una calm down. I never see where it goes today. Demand for money like
We don't
this.
need to
We
do
don't
those.
wait here now. I beg you.
Guys, calm down. Hey.
I dey transfer the money. I beg.
As we talk, just do the money.
Baba, guy, sorry, but you said that you get one thing.
Why will he slap his wife? Didn't you see him slap you? Did you tell him anything?
Even at that.
He was here beating me, did not say anything, and you are telling me that I have hot temper.
You shouldn't have hit him. Assuming he died, what will happen?
What if I died when he slapped me? What if I died when he slapped me? Didn't you see him slap me? Me, his wife. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, sorry.
If you like, fence there, die, roll your head, I don't care. He goats. You have the guts to lay your hands on me, your filthy hands on me. Rubbish.
Oh, wow.
Please, don't talk to me, oh. Don't talk to me because you saw him beating me.
We shall see. We shall see.
We shall see nothing. I don't care whatever you want to do. Fool, he goes. Beggy. I don't care. Shey, you see him. You not talk to him. Look at what he's telling me. You are here, a man is beating me. You are telling me that I have hot temper.
Be calming down.
I will calm down where? I shall allow you to kill me. Okay, no problem. Let me watch him and see what he will do.
Today, you will go back to that your dying mother. That your dying mother, you go and stay with her. If you like, both of you to die.
It is your mother that will die. Fool, he go, Beggy. It is your mother that will die. It is your mother that will die. Neighbor, you are seeing him. Look at my cloth. Neighbor, you are seeing him. Look at what he's doing.
You are leaving my house to die. Nobody can take me. Never. She must leave.
Obin, are you not ashamed of yourself? So because I asked you to go and make money, you are here behaving like a child, throwing my things away.
You must go.
Let me shock you. I will go. Who wants to marry you? A low life like you. Who wants to marry you? I'm tired of this marriage. I will go. Rubbish. Beggar.
You will regret it now.
He goes.
You must go. Go and get keke for her. Go and get keke for her. Let her leave my house.
Neighbor, pack my
this nonsense.
I will go.
Get out.
I will go. Neighbor, I will not regret anything. You see this man that I'm managing to marry?
Oh, you're managing me.
I'm managing him. A low life like him.
She's managing me.
Because I told you to go and make money like you really. I will go. I I will go. Stupid man,
Let
you
your
go.
clothes not enter my house.
You go.
Let your clothes not enter my house.
I will go. I will go.
You must go.
I will go. See who I'm managing. I will go. Stupid man. Idiot. Woo! Beggar, I will go. I will go. I will go. Yes, I will go.
Get out.
I will go. I will go.
Get for her.
I will go. I will go. I will go. Stupid man. Here you go. Beggar, you not ashamed of yourself. Look at your house. Stupid hand. I will go. I'll go back. Shave your sin. I will go. I'll go back. I will go. I'll go back. Who wants to manage it alone? I will go. I'm going. Shey, you see him. He said I should leave.
Bossy, I'll see what I can do.
Yeah?
Yes. So you can go ahead with your wife's burial arrangement.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you said you are a painter.
Yes. I used to work with a paint producing company. I used to be their business development manager before I got...
but do you paint?
I also paint. I'm a very good painter, sir.
Yes, he's a very good painter, sir.
I have 2 ongoing building projects. Yes. So I am considering giving you the contract. But that will be after your wife's burial, so that you can concentrate.
Akwata. Thank you, sir. Akwata. Akwata. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You see, I am not in this position by mistake. I work so hard to be here. Do you understand? So I like when young men have that zeal to work their way to the top. Do you understand? Like I always tell people, we all have been praying to God, but we have never seen God. Do you know why? Because man is God to man. So, go on with your wife's burial arrangement. After the funeral, I'll give you the contract.
Akwata, only you the runner. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I told you. Thank you very much. Akwata, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Akwata, thank you.
A man cannot guy a gayolo. Let me call my girls. Woo. Let me call my girls. Hello, babes. How far now? We on a day. That man thinks he's wise. I have succeeded to collect all the money. Yes. Of course now, you don't trust me. Eh? But this time will day again. Let me see who he will use and lie again. He rather use me and lie and say that I'm sick just to get money. Let me see who he will use. Yes, I've left him. Of course, I'm coming to meet you guys. Okay, where are you guys? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll come and meet you guys. Then as for the man, the mug that is giving him the money, I will go to his house and spoil his name. Let me see how he will get money without me. You don't trust me again. I will go and meet the man, tell him that he's lying, he's this, he's that. I will spoil his name. That man can never give him money again. Don't worry now. When we see, I'll tell you more. Okay? Alright, I'm coming to... Oh, Alaji. Alaji is around? No problem. I'm coming. We'll paint this town red, blue, black. I'm coming, okay? Alright. Let me just get a taxi. I'm coming to meet you guys. Alright. Bye. See you soon. Woo! A guy man cannot guy a guy. You think you are wise. You want to use me to lie and get money. Rubbish.
So tell me, how long have you been married?
I've been married for nearly 2 years, less than 2 years.
How did she die?
Sorry, it's a long story. I was informed that he was.
You're welcome. What is it? What is it? Hey, come. What is it?
What is it? What's this problem?
I was good.
Get water! Who's it?
Somebody should pour him water.
Get water!
Also, listen. I am certain you are hallucinating. I know what you're going through. Take it easy, okay? I can tell when someone is being traumatized. Do you understand? I know you just lost your wife. And maybe you are hallucinating. You need to man up. Be a man, okay?
My dead wife is in this house. My dead wife is in this house. My wife is in this house. My wife just stepped in. My wife just...
Listen, this is Rose, my wife. Not your wife, Rita.
I wonder. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Please sit down. Calm down. Sit down. Lord, what's wrong with your friend? I don't understand you. I'm as shocked as you are.
Osi, remember why I came? Calm down.
Young man, is your friend on drugs?
One of those is bad days, okay? We'll be back. I promise you that.
Allah, what's wrong with your friend?
I'll be back. Don't worry. I'll be back. Osi!
I thought I've seen it all. What I witnessed here today? Oh my God. That young man is hallucinating. Yes.
What in God's name should I call what just happened? What sort of embarrassment was that? Is he trying to say that I look like his wife? Or what? I don't get it.
Obviously, that young man is hallucinating. And you know what that means.
What did he come here to do?
For financial help. To bury his wife.
I'm already having a bad day. You know what? I'll be in my room. I need to go freshen up. I'll be in my room. This is just too much.
Come on. I thought this guy said that the wife is in the mortuary. How can the wife be in the mortuary and also be in this house at the same time? I don't understand this.
That young man is going through a lot. He's been traumatized.
I swear. That guy, poverty is working on that guy. Yes.
Hello, Janet, you wouldn't believe who I just saw in my husband's house. Oh, Sinachi. Janet, I don't know. I had to deny him. I denied knowing him. Blatantly. I denied him. It was really hard for me, but I had to do it. He came to beg money. He came to beg my husband money. I don't know.
on now, come on. You know I can't tell Akunwata not to give him money. Akunwata likes giving out money. He gives out money for fun. You know I can't tell him not to give him money. That will raise suspicions. Honestly, I don't know what to do. You should think. Think. You know what? You need to live there. You need to leave that village right now. Right now. Okay? We need to plan on what to do. Okay. I'm calm. Listen. I will send Amobi to go pick Mama up first thing in the morning. I need her here. Yes, they are still there. Okay, call Osinachi while I call my mom, okay?
Hello, What? You saw Rita? Wait. Let me get what you're saying. You saw Rita where? At the mortuary? No, now. Osi, what are you saying? You saw someone lying dead at the mortuary in someone's house. It's not possible now. What are you saying? Did you take any drink? And when you say?
Mama, I honestly do not understand. So I'm a twin? Am I twin? Eh? Because I don't get it. I am confused. Okay. Mama, you know what? Tomorrow morning, I will come pick you up myself. Yes, just get ready, okay? I'm coming to get you tomorrow morning. Alright, no problem.
What did she say?
Yeah, she has to be here. The young man, he has to say everything before her. Because I don't get it. I don't understand. Baby, this is crazy. Do I have a twin sister that I don't know of? I don't get it.
Honey, I have told you not to worry. If there is need, we'll visit mortuary to confirm. Simple as that.
No, come on. I don't like visiting mortuaries.
Nobody does.
Yes, exactly. So why must we go there? I don't like going there. That place gives me panic attack. The sight of it, the smell of it, the thought of it. Do you want to kill me?
If need be, I will go myself. Or maybe you send your mother.
No problem. Just that I can't go there.
It's alright. We'll think of what to do. Okay? I'll be downstairs.
Heartless wife, she's ready
People can be so mischievous. I don't understand this. How? Me? Twin? Somebody's wife. I don't get it.
Heartless wife, she's ready to do anything to achieve her aim. She not get the conscience. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. She's ready to achieve her aim. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. Heartless woman, she is ready.
Are you trying to say I'm insane? No, don't tell me to come down. That was my wife. I saw her with my two eyes.
What's Joe? What is it? Look, Jesus. I kept hearing voices. Who are you?
It's me, Osinachi.
Osinachi?
Have you forgotten me? My wife is here.
Oh. Were you not the man that came here the other day?
Yes. Please, I'm here to see my wife.
Well, I'm sorry to let you know that for today, no one is seeing anybody.
How do you mean, sir?
You see these ones here?
Yes.
They were brought in today. And as you can see, they are still here. We have not moved them inside. I sprayed some chemical in there. Do you understand? So for today, no one is seeing anyone. You will have to go and come back.
Come back when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. Are you taking the cups tomorrow?
No, I'm not taking the cups tomorrow. I just want to see my wife. I can see my wife as many times as possible.
All right. Then you can go. And make sure you're here from 8 a.m. tomorrow.
No problem, it's fine.
Why is she not picking her call? Eh? This girl used to do. She too they do. Husband and wife used to have issue. They could say to know. Ah, never. Never, well done. Thank you for yesterday. Thank you.
I can't tell. But you know, say you and your wife are best couple. What think can happen yesterday? Can't know you.
See, husband and wife used to have issue now.
No,
and when they have issue, after this thing, they will settle. Eh? I don't know why she's behaving like this. I've been calling her now. She's not picking. For me to forgive her so that she come back, oh, she's not doing chakara. She refused to pick her call.
She's not picking. Maybe you know, she might be sleeping. But you know, say, fine woman, no, they outside again. In case we are. No, woman, no, that's why, because she's the only one that understands me well. That's why that's why I forgive her. I want her to come back. And she's doing all these things she's doing. Okay, I'm not the only one that understands you. And now, could you have everything can happen? You met her, you know, we got, if you should advance a while. No, you can, you know, man. You know, woman now, but you do like man. Yes, I do guess no day anyway again. Good guess. Good day. No, man. If you go there, man, I go there, they can now. Only women like you day, and I know if you marry someone like you. I want to know. I never see him. It's a go. No, because now all over.
Grandma, don't sleep here. What is
I saw my wife yesterday.
It's not possible that you saw your wife yesterday.
I said I saw Rita yesterday. If the mortician opens this door and I see Rita lying on the floor, then I'll believe she's a twin.
I think she's a twin. She is. I think.
That's what I've been telling you.
Just calm down. Please, help me. Calm him down, please.
Just calm down, okay?
Oh?
Just calm down.
Naga, come in now. See your wife.
What's going on? What's going on? Rita. What's going on?
This is
exactly the same woman you saw.
I saw my...
She's the one you saw.
I saw my wife.
Hey! Tell me what? The same woman.
To me.
Why are the both of you behaving like this? Eh? Oh, so you see why I don't want you to follow me here. But you won't listen. Eh? You won't listen.
It's so painful. It's so painful, Rita, my friend. Hey! See, let's just go back to the village. There's no point staying here. Let's go back, please.
Osi, you need to go back, okay? Especially now that the man has promised to help you. You know, carry your wife corpse and you bury her at the village.
Why is it that you humans always take advantage of rich and generous people? What's wrong with you? Well, there's no problem.
Please, I can attack us people. Please. Eh? When you marry a bad wife like this, that is what it will be. Oh. The good man, eh? I did not know that she was not sick. Oh.
Obina, do you know this unruly behavior of yours can block way for other people that needs help? Why do humans always take advantage of rich and generous people? Why?
You and your wife did not try at all. You guys are not nice.
Eh? I'm going to be beg. Join me and beg him now. Join me and beg him, please. Yeah? I'm here to clear my name. I'm not here to beg money. I'm not here to ask for any money again. Just to clear my name. So that I will know that I'm not part of it.
It's okay. You can go.
Huh?
I should go like that.
Okay, Nabagodi. Huh?
I will see you later.
Yeah, your wife. Don't mess up.
Mama, let's go. Mama, this is the time to play the game to the final. This is the time that will determine if I am going to marry him or not. Mama, we have to play this game well. So come in, let's go. Please, come in.
I know the story I'll tell him about what the boy told you. Yes. Since he has seen you in the mortuary, he will now believe that you have a twin sister somewhere. I'm the one that will finish the whole thing. That's why I'm here now.
Mama Rita!
I'm going to finish it.
Mama Rita! Mama, please come. There's no time. There is fire on the mountain as we speak.
Hey, see my son-in-law. Hey! You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? How's your wife?
Asukwa, my wife. Is she not here?
Oh,
Did she not come here?
No, your wife did not come to my house.
Ijoma did not come here.
No.
If you go there.
Wait, let me bring
her. Charger.
Let me bring her.
Ekuromia.
Hey. Ijoma is not here.
Oh, she's not here. Now your house is fine. Indeed, you are a rich man. Onyoka sini very care. Everywhere good. Hey! Onyoka sini very care.
Mama, you're welcome to my abode. Henceforth, I want you to know this is now your house.
Oh.
Mama, you are welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. Oh, child.
Mama,
no.
I really need you to tell my husband to be what you were telling me.
Yes, Ma. I would really like to know this girl. I would like to meet the girl that looks exactly like my daughter. There was this rumor that was going on when I had her in the hospital. You know, people were gossiping like twins, something like that. I'm suspecting that I had a set of twins. Maybe the nurses planned and sold one of the twins. So I would like to know this girl and trace her family so that I will know what to do next. Oh?
Mama, I don't have to worry yourself about that. Yes. I have settled the young man, okay? I sent him the sum of 10 million naira.
10 what?
Yeah.
Hey.
Why are you shocked?
No. It's only that you gave a stranger such amount of money.
It's not for free, Mama. He's a professional painter, and I want to employ him after his wife's burial to paint my ongoing building project.
Child. My God bless him with a good man. God bless you.
Mama, I told you on the phone that having me as a son-in-law, all your problems are vanished.
Hey!
Mama, you mean you were never sick?
Yeah. How will I lie with my health? I'm very strong and healthy. And I did not see my daughter. I did not see her. People is well.
I said it. Mama, Ijoma left my house. Ijoma took my money, 300,000 naira. She told me that you were sick. I gave her 300,000 naira. Ijoma left my house with the money.
Hey! Ijoma. And you did not send her packing?
Mama, you know now. Husband and wife, jokingly. Another, they're going to leave my house. The next week, Ijoma packed everything and took the money and left. Now I'm here. Ijoma is not here. Where is Ijoma? Mama, where is your daughter Ijoma? Where is she? She has gone to stay with other girls. By my own wife.
God forbid. It will not happen in my house.
Let it not happen.
Ijoma will never do this to me.
Mama, let it not happen.
Ha! Let me get my phone.
Mama, get your phone.
Before
problem will start.
Let me get my phone.
Because I will refuse to divorce her. I will not divorce her.
No, you will not do that.
She must marry me.
Please, you will not do that. Let me get my phone.
Get your phone. I want to know my own phone.
We need to have meeting with those boys. You understand? It's now or never. Annual ad rock where? Pico.
Honestly, Mama, my body's shaking. Like, I am really shivering. But don't worry. Like I said, Janet and I got this, okay? All I just need is to leave this country as soon as possible. Disappear. Leave this country. Once and for all.
But Akunwata said he will employ him. He said it.
Mama, soon I'll be in America, right? And I won't get to see him again. Moreover, he has come to think that it was my look-alike he saw when he saw me in that fake mortuary. So relax. We have everything under cover. Okay?
I pray everything will work
relax,
out.
relax,
One more.
relax.
Echiche bugo kwenu nne you.
You got this.
Open the gate. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey! Police!
What is it?
Akumata.
What did he do? Move, everybody! What did he do? Move it, come on.
You have done so.
We are going to seal up this compound.
You want to seal here? Why?
Yeah, we are going to seal everywhere.
Move.
What did he see our house? Our house.
They have guns. They have
You want
guns.
to seal our house?
They have guns.
No, it's fire.
You mean this?
I had to pull myself together. Then I went back to the mortuary just to reconfirm, just to see things for myself. I went there, the mortician opened the door, and I saw Rita. The same Rita lying down cold on the floor. Uncle, I don't want to go into details to start telling you or to start asking questions if she's a twin or not. But I can tell you that the person I saw with my two eyes was Rita. I can tell you the person I saw with my two eyes was Rita. Iche, as I speak with you right now, my heart is still beating very fast. I'm still afraid because I saw Rita alive and I saw her dead.
Osi, please, take it easy. I can see that your heart is still beating from the experience you had. So what is the next thing now?
The next thing is I have to move on.
In fact,
the Rita that I saw, it is now left for her to go and ask questions if she's a ghost or she is a twin. Wow. But the truth is, Ichi, I've gotten the money.
You need to tell me what next happened for the burial ceremony.
Very important. I assume that the person you saw was simply Ndemo that is so let's forget about that. The most important thing now is that you have the money at hand for us to enter this burial and do it. So the first thing we'll do is to approach the priest who will give us the date for the burial. After which we will now meet her people. We'll meet her people and tell them officially that we're going to bury their daughter. Then, after this one, we now proceed to tell the community, let them be aware of the date of the burial. Then, we will now clear all the debts we are owing both the village and the church and make sure we are owing nobody. Nothing. The most importance of all this is that we have to bring down her corpse from the city mortuary to our village mortuary. Let it be close to us.
Hey, Chie, there is no need for that.
That is need. That is need. That is every need because we can't be running from the place to the place. The burial date. Running from city mortuary to
Iche, you're right. We need to bring my wife's corpse to the village so that things will be easy for us.
Oh, thank you. No problem.
So I'll go and see the mortician to ensure that things are done properly.
So when are you going? I mean, when are you going?
When am I going?
Yes.
You want to follow me?
No, I just...
I can go anytime I like. She's my wife. Yes. I can decide to go now. I can decide to go tomorrow.
Yes.
I can decide not to go at all.
You are right.
But I will still go. But when I will go, I don't know.
Oh, okay. There's no problem.
I promise I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Hey!
Hey! So they are finally coming.
EFCC, please. Mama, my house, my cars.
Don't worry.
Mama, I cannot be broke again. No. I cannot go broke. I cannot be broke. Aku, go and fetch. Don't follow them.
No, I was
Open it now. This is my husband's house. We suffered to build this house. I cannot go back to village. I cannot go back to village.
Mama, did he tell you what he did to me? What has he done that no man had ever done? Huh? You told your husband that I was sick. You lied to your husband. Hey, Joma.
Mama, he lied to his friend that I was sick too.
Look, you are going back to that man's house. There will be no divorce in my family. You want to let us support my family? What is wrong with you? Huh?
Mama, this is why you are shouting. You're raising your voice. Did he tell you that he slapped me? He slapped your daughter. Oh. Look at him go. If you see what this man did to me,
He told me everything.
And you are telling me to go back to his house.
Ijoma, he told me everything. And he said you used weapon on his head. Oh, Namakobo. Huh? Look, don't let me lay curse on you. Ijoma, don't let me lay curse on you. Go back to that man's house. You know, yeah?
Mama, so you want me to go back to that man's house so that he will beat me and in fact so that he will kill me? Eh? Like I see that you don't like me again. You don't like your daughter again.
I've said my word.
I'm not going anywhere.
A friend of mine actually owns this place. He was kind enough to ask me to stay here for as long as I want. So you're welcome. At least it's better than that hotel. We don't have money anymore to pay or to even eat.
Aku, I don't understand. What do you mean this is where we'll be settling? For real? This is where you want me to stay? Aku, come on now. This is not good. I can't stay here. For whatsoever reason, I can't just stay here. 1 minute. I can't. Ha. Aku, this is not good though. This is not good. At all.
You mean nothing can be done about this case?
Mama, thank God I came back with my life intact. If you see what they did to me in that place, and the EFCC, how about a wicked? You see those people, they are something else. If you see what they did to me, only they were not doing me as if I am one small boy like that. Mama, thank God I'm standing here with my 2 legs, oh.
Aku, please, stop this your cock and bull story. What is it now? Aku, I have seen you dash money. You do give people money, 1 million, 500,000, 2 million. I could tell these people to lend you money to get somewhere suitable. A mosquito-free house. I can't stay here. Look at me now. Nah, yeah. I have tasted life. I have tasted money. Now. How can you expect me to stay in this house? How do you want to subject me to stay in this wretched, rickety-looking house? I can't do it. I will not do it. Mama, talk to him. Talk to him. Because...
Thank God you are a witness to the people I have been giving money. If I had said it, that I helped so many people, maybe you wouldn't have believed me. But thank God you saw it when I was giving people money up and down. Do you know these same people? I have been giving thousands and millions. I went to each and every one of them. None of them could give me up to 5,000. None of them. Even the last one I went to his house, he was right there eating chicken. I wanted to take small. He said, now they are now
relating what happens to me to spirituality or whatsoever. They said I did something bad. Now it's not the repercussion. That's human being for you now. Only mama do the boom do. Look at them. Look at how they are treating me.
Aki, listen. Aku, or whatever you call yourself. Listen. Get money and rent somewhere better. Because me, I am not ready to stay in this house. Should I even be calling this a house? This is not a house. I'm not ready to stay in this carton. I won't stay here. I will not do it. Mama, tell him oh. Tell him oh. You will not come and fall my hand now. Tell him oh. I will not stay in this house. Ogene.
But there is window and there is door. You can fetch water from that corner there. You'll be buying water.
Ogene. For money and get a place. Let's settle in people.
Listen. So I thought it's for better for. Is it because I don't have money anymore? Mama, have you forgotten how I used to give you money? Not just you, but every other person that came to me for help.
How much did you give me? How much?
I was with him and he was calling a cab man. And later on, he told me he would be coming back.
Osi, I told you not to leave my side. Not to leave my side, Osi. What is all this now?
How do you mean you told him not to leave your side?
Ichie, you know, at this point in his life, he needs someone like me. Someone to console and comfort him. Someone to make sure that he's okay. That is...
That's good. Ha! Janetti! Sir? Let it not be what I'm thinking of. Consoler. You now need someone like you to console him, to prepare to give him well. Look at your best friend. He's still there, not buried. You're already scouting and planning on how to take her position. Ha!
Ichie, what are you saying? What were you thinking? I was going to sleep with Osi? Osi is like a brother to me. And Rita was my friend. Ichie, I don't like this thing you are saying, no. Let me go look for Osi. I'm coming.
One man do it. Look at her on the grave. Ha! Tofia kwa unu no one guy no nini. Hey! Why? I will be hammer. Your best friend is not yet buried and you are here scrapping for me. The husband. Nonsense.
Rita, I told you that you won't be able to win this game. Have you seen it? Ifugie.
Hey, I have already won it. Because I am more than conqueror. Janet is coming tomorrow. We will have to plan with the boys. Hi. Mama, something is wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Yes. Mama, Osita is called so. He's a cursed man. Because it was since Osita came in contact with Aku that this whole thing began to happen. Go down the drain. Something is following Osita. Osita is a cursed man. Can't you see it?
My dear,
Since you can't be one alone for the burial, please, do whatever you can to call Jenny so that you will come and follow him down back to combat. Or else, don't
ever allow him to go to that mortuary alone, Biko Nwam. Please, don't allow him.
You can't do it. Mama, did I not tell you that I bought that compound with my money? The compound belongs to me. Did I not tell you? He can't go there without informing him, without informing the man in charge. Mama, what is disturbing me now, and what I'm trying to figure out now, is on how to bring someone, or even get a corpse, that will be inside that casket for burial. Or I will run, oh. I will run, Mama. Child, I will run. Because I am not ready to suffer with anybody. I cannot suffer with this man. I cannot. I can't try it. Oh.
How are you and that going to pass through all this? Eh? Hey. Yeah. So, that's why I run away from trouble. I don't like trouble. Eh?
I'm tired. I am tired. This whole thing is really sickening. Mama, the main cocoa is that I'm pregnant.
Eh? Pregnant? Rita again. Hey, why? Why did you lose your body? Why didn't you close your leg, Rita? Eh? So what are you going to do now? You don't know.
She's ready to do anything.
Why?
She's ready to
this
do
critical
anything
period.
to achieve her aim.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV. She not get the conscience, yo. She's ever ready, yo, to achieve her aim. Child, she's ready, yo, to achieve her aim. Oh. She's ever ready, yo, to achieve her aim. Heartless woman, she is ready to achieve her aim. She's ever ready, yo, to achieve her aim.
Janet, what are you running to?
Also, you left the house, you didn't tell me.
I left the house, I didn't tell you.
Yes.
Was I supposed to tell you?
Lucy, don't talk like that.
No, is there a problem?
There's no problem. Lucy, you are like a brother to me. And I told you, with the way you feel about Rita, you don't need to be alone. You need me around to protect and guide you. Hmm?
I need you around to protect and guide me?
Yes.
Is someone trying to kill me?
Nobody's trying to.
So what do I need your protection for?
You see, this point in your life, you need someone around you, someone that will yes.
Okay, you're just being caring.
Yes. Hey,
child.
Yes, I'm just looking after my dead friend's husband.
I understand.
Yes.
In fact, Janet, you see, you have done so well.
Thank you.
And I must thank you for all your efforts. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you again.
You are welcome.
But the truth is, I'm back to my senses now. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm back to my normal self. You know, I can't keep crying. She's gone. She's gone.
Yes.
Even if I cry till eternity, she's not going to come back.
That is true.
So what do I have to do? I've told myself, you have to move on with your life. The truth is, I'm actually going to see the Reverend Father, who is supposed to officiate her funeral.
Okay.
He asked me to come, so that's where I'm going to.
Okay. Okay, hey, one more thing, please.
Okay.
Please. Anywhere you want to go, just let me know. You understand?
Anywhere I want to go, I should let you know.
Yes. Anything you are planning, just...
But Janet, I just told you I'm going to see the Reverend Father.
I know. I'm just informing you, you know.
And you said I should tell you all my plans.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. After seeing the Reverend Father, I'll go to the junction and buy yam and palm oil.
There is no problem now. What am I here for? Let's go.
Okay, you want to follow me?
You want to follow me?
Yes.
Oh, you should have said you wanted to follow me now.
Yeah,
No problem. Let's go. No
let's
problem.
go
It's
now.
fine.
Why is he refusing to pick my calls now? I've been calling this young man since. He's not picking up. Which kind of wahala be this guy? Eh?
Who is that?
Amobio, my boy. I gave him 10 million naira before I was arrested. Now I'm calling him to find me small thing from that 10 million naira. He's not picking up. His number is not even connecting anymore.
Amobi.
Yes, now my boy now.
Hi. Kai. Amobi kwa.
It's like...
And these are all the people you've helped. Now the table has turned. Nobody wants to help you anymore. Nobody wants to come through for you. Hi.
This
Hi.
life. What kind of life is this? Why are people so wicked? Eh? Why are people so wicked? Otom. Actually, see, I still love you.
Nah, yeah.
Nothing has changed though.
Nah, cause not this thing. Nah, love. What's all this love talk for? Nah, leave love talk for Romeo and Juliet now. What is it? Richard, I am pained. Richard, don't paint me this person, oh. Do not paint me a bad person. Do not paint me a talkative. Richard, what happened to all the countries you promised me? Rome, Hong Kong, Italy, plenty country that you said we'll go. What happened to it? Richard, people will say that I am a talkative, so no kanji. People will call me a bad person. Richard, you have to take me out of this country, oh. You have to take me out of this country.
When we go to those places you mentioned, but Rome is out of it. You know, Pope is late. There's no need going there. But I want you to be patient. We'll make it. See, we'll bounce back. Right now, we don't have time. And we are getting older. So I want us to start having kids. While we save money.
Having what?
Children now.
Richard, stop saying all this rubbish. Everything you're saying is pinching me. It's as if you're pouring me kerosene and fuel. What do you mean, kids?
Calm down.
Richard, stop telling me all these things. What is it?
Baby.
You don't have a house. You don't even have a car. Everything that made you a combatant is gone. And you're here telling me about kids. So what happens? What if they rearrest you? What if you go back to the prison the second time? Who is going to take care of those kids? You're here telling me about kids. Don't even try me.
That is the major reason I want us to relocate to the village.
You're saying no!
It is more secure
I am
there.
not going to the village, Richard. I won't go to the village.
Stop it! It's me, oh. It's me, oh. Baby. My name is me, oh. Eh? What's all this now? See, I'm a hard-working young man.
I have to go back to the village.
You just called me Richard too. What happened to Akunwata now? Nobody is calling me Akunwata anymore.
For now.
I can't believe that the two people I thought have been behind me. You people want to abandon me now, Mama. He only can come back in the other time. He call Richard. The next time now you look at me, I don't know what you will call me because I don't have money anymore. It's not good now. It's not fair now.
Let me walk my brother now.
No, Mama, why are you? Mama, stay so that she will not have anyone to walk there now. I don't want to.
Money again now. How can we feed? I'm even willing to help
Mama,
you.
let's go.
Let me go to the village. You see, Kenna. Oh yeah, the
Mama is unfair. Oh. Mama, you're supposed to be a mother. Oh. Be a mother to us now. Achalugo. Utom, please come back. Oh. Come back. I will make it again. Oh. I promise. I swear. I'm a hard worker. Hey, people. Hey.
Telling you, if you are finally caught in this, it's going to be a big curse on our family. I don't know why this thing happened to this boy. I don't know. Eh?
Mama,
Mama.
I will not get caught. Okay? Worst come to worst, I have little money on me. I'll use it and leave this country. I'll travel to Ghana. I'll stay there and start up a life. Manefo, caught. Lie. I can never get caught. And I planned everything well. Relax.
What if he comes to carry the supposed dead body? What are you going to do?
Mama, if he goes there and didn't see anyone, he will leave. Osi is just roaming around with bad luck. I don't know how I came across this man. He's just going around looking for destinies to destroy. Eh? I don't understand.
Okay, now that you are pregnant for Ako, what's your plan? You see? What do you plan to do? You rush to get pregnant for him. What are you going to do? Tell me, I don't know. Am I wrong?
Mama, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Let's think about Osi first. We need to settle Osi's matter. Osi is a person. Everyone is just running around looking for destinies to destroy. He is a person. When we settle his past first, then we'll focus on our.
You know I said this.
You know what?
I said it in the first place. Had it been that you divorce this Osi and follow this Richard, you wouldn't have found yourself in this mess. Eh? I said it. Look at the whole thing now. Please, stop keke for me. Let me leave this place. I need to go home. My head,
Mama, relax now. I'm the one planning everything. Just trust me. Trust me on this one. I'll sort it out.
Heartless wife, she's ready to do anything. She don't care at all. Begin the be wala wala. Heartless wife, she's ready to do anything. Begin the be wala wala. Heartless wife, she's ready to do anything to achieve her aim. She not get a conscience, she's ever ready to achieve her aim. She's ready to achieve her aim. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. Heartless woman, she is ready to achieve her aim. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. She's ready to do anything, heartless woman. She's ever ready to achieve her aim. If a woman just made heartless wife, she's ever ready to achieve her aim.
My life. I'm thinking about my life. My life with you.
This will pass, okay? Stop thinking, it's not good for your health.
When? When will it pass? You see, Richard,
I expected you to be able to recognize bad omen when you see one. When that man came, claiming that I am his dead wife, you should have known that this is not good. But you went on and gave your hard-earned money to him. Richard, I can beat my chest anywhere, any day, any time, and tell you for a fact that that man is the cause of your downfall. Because a lot of people are roaming around looking for destinies to destroy, and that man is part of them. That man is an agent of darkness from the pit of hell. Nobody can tell me otherwise. Look at us now. We don't have a future. No hope. We are hopeless.
I came so that you will give me any money you have. I want to go check up on someone.
Richard, what is it? What is it now? No. What is it now?
If you have
Richard, please stop it. What is it? Do I look like I have money? Do I have money and I'm staying in this house with you?
Change you.
What is it now? Richard, I don't have money. I don't have one single money. You know the people that you've been dashing money. Go to their houses and beg them for money. Look at Amobi. Amobi that you picked up and brushed him up. You gave Amobi a life. You gave him a job. Where is he now? Where is Amobi? Amobi is there giving you attitude up, and Richard, I am frustrated though. Just leave me alone. I am angered, I am frustrated.
I know how you feel, okay? But please, like I said, if there's any change you have, well, okay, no problem. If you don't have, I will trek. Just that where I'm going, I am going to meet someone that will give me some money. Ugochi. Do we have food in this house?
Yes, sir.
I need a plate.
Okay, sir.
Where's Amobi?
He's upstairs.
Tell him I'm back. Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Okay, sir.
I'm so sorry for what I did. I'm so sorry for my actions. Just that I was angry that you lied about me, that I was sick, just to get money. I was so angry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Sorry.
It's alright. It's good that you have come back to your senses. You have come back to your senses. You now know that there's no husband there anywhere. There's no husband there anywhere, so you have to come back and marry the one you have. Because since you left, other girls have been coming, asking for, but I don't want to give anybody a chance. Say, let me give you time for you to come back. But it's good that you have come to your senses now and realize your mistakes. It's alright. You are welcome.
Thank you, my husband, but I don't want us to be fighting. And I don't want you to be begging for money. I want us to work for our money. I don't want you to beg people for money. I want you to go out there, work for your money like a man that you are. Leave Ako, leave anybody. Just let's work for our money, okay? I don't like the fact that you are begging for money just for us to feed. Please, I want us to work for our money. I will do anything. Whatever you want me to do, I will do it. Please.
You work for our money, but you will not stay at home.
No.
You are not going to stay at home because it's not if I'm going there to work hard, going to do this thing, you'll be at home. Later you ask me for bone straight. No, both of us will now be going out every morning to go and hustle. That is how we will make it.
Yes, that's the old me. This is the new me. Yes, I'll work. Anything you want to do, I will do it. I will work together and make our money together.
It's good that you now have you. Come. Come to daddy. Come to daddy.
Thank you.
Come to daddy. Come to daddy.
I'll miss you.
I missed you.
I missed it too.
So, don't worry. Let's go inside. All this while that you have not been around, there has been so much cold. And I have been running from one side of the bed to the other. All the pillows in the house are now my enemies. Now that they are back. So let's go inside. Let's go.
I miss it.
Oh,
Please let me carry my bag.
I will carry the bag. How are you saying?
To see your wife's corpse.
I'm here to take my wife's corpse with me.
Osi, why now?
Huh?
Osi, this is not the agreement. This is not what we planned.
I beg your pardon. What agreement?
To come and see the corpse and go back to the village. Yes.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I'm here to take my wife's corpse with me. She's my wife, right?
Yes.
I can do whatever.
Of course.
I want to do with her corpse. So I'm here to take the corpse with me.
Okay. Mister, you don't just walk into the mortuary to pick up a corpse like that. First, you need some clothes to dress up the corpse. Most importantly, you will need police clearance for movement on the road.
Are you done? Are you done, sir? Okay. Newsflash. I've been cleared by the police to carry the corpse. And guess what? I have some clothes to dress up my wife's corpse. So,
yes.
Kindly do that now. Because I have to go.
It's not what we planned, don't see.
Just give me some minutes, I will dress up the corpse. Just wait.
Take all the time you need.
You want me to help you? Trust me. You won't teach me my job.
No, sir, just go in.
Then take it easy and let me go in and drink the cups.
Guys. We have a little problem now. There is a little problem. Look.
Before this thing first, no, the hear what they talk about.
This man is outside. He said he wants to take the cops now.
What?
Yes.
I don't understand. Did you come with ambulance?
I didn't see any ambulance. I don't even know how he intends to do it. Maybe he wants to take a taxi.
Hi. So, okay, so what do we do now?
I think we should just switch to the next plan now. That is abduction now.
Abduction?
Yes.
Okay, can you just tell him something? Just scare him. Just tell him it's not going to work today.
Mama, I don't think that is possible. He wants to take the cops to a mortuary closer to his town. How? So stopping him will look suspicious. I think the best thing for us to do is to stick to the abduction plan, which is attack the vehicle on the road, take the cops, and from there you run. Yes, it makes more sense.
Smart move.
Eh?
Is he coming in now?
You see this cloth? The man's serious and he gave me this cloth. So what you need to do now is to stand up. So, yes, you go to the back of the house, you wear the clothes, you understand? Package her. You go enter cups. What is the cup? Casket.
Osi, are you sure you want to do this? Eh? Are you sure you want to carry these cups? Osi, listen to me. If you can listen to me, let's leave these cups here and go back to the village. This man is doing a great job. Just leave the cups here. Eh? But Osi, I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy with you at all. I've been running around with you, suffering with you, doing everything to make sure that you're happy, like my brother. Eh? Let's leave this thing here. Listen to me.
Janet, are you done?
Thank you for stopping with me. Do you understand? Thank you for stopping with me. So I don't want you to suffer anymore. No, you can't do it. No, don't do more. It's okay.
Because I'm taking the cops with me. Listen to me.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't want you to suffer anymore.
To suffer.
Do you understand? Don't suffer on my behalf. It's okay. I'll pick it up from here. Do you understand?
Let's leave this thing here now. Please.
Why you're so uneasy? Is everything okay?
The man is doing a great.
But if you are here, my people are here.
Can't you see that I'm sweating? Eh? There was no dog on the way. Meanwhile, is it ready?
And he's almost ready. I'm waiting for him.
Okay.
He's here already. Hold on, let me go.
Okay, let's take it out, yeah?
No. Just get there. It's alright. You have your...
Your wife is heavy.
Hey, what are you trying to do?
miracle.
What's going on here?
It's miracle, miracle. Huh? Miracle. It's miracle.
Yes.
It's miracle.
It's
Tell
miracle.
them it's miracle. It's God. It's God. Tell them that it's miracle.
Daddy, baby,
What's
my
going on
love,
here?
please, I beg you.
Miracle, miracle. Rita,
Huh?
It's a miracle.
Miracle?
Yes.
Big miracle.
Yes, what God cannot do does not exist. Tell them now.
Yes.
Rita!
Huh? I did not die.
What is this?
I cannot breathe. That was why I had to drop my
What's happening here?
Which miracle?
Rita, don't do now. Rita.
It's a very big miracle.
You?
It's a miracle, please.
Rita!
Rita,
Rita, you!
Yes.
Baby, calm down. Calm down, please. I beg you. Just
Forgive me.
Please.
I don't follow.
Yes?
Rita. Wait, Rita, do you know the repercussion of the game you're about to play? Mama?
Rita, you are out of your mind.
Mama Jukwaya, ask her. Are you out of your mind?
Listen, I have everything planned out with Matthew. Matthew will arrange and bring people that will act as cops. Mama, I have the money to pay these people. Akunwata pays me. He showers me with so much money, so I have more than enough to clean up my mess.
So Rita, how long do you intend to play this your game?
As long as it takes. As long as it takes. Provided Akunwata marries me, I don't have a problem. Moreover, he said he's going to marry me and then fly me to abroad for my masters. Mama, this is a good news now. You should be celebrating at this point.
How did this idea get into your head, Rita? I'm telling you.
Mama, you need to relax. You need to relax and understand that I am a psychologist. I can handle anything. Akunwata knows me as Rose. OC knows me as Rita. Akunwata stays in the city. OC stays in the village. These are two different people. How are they going to find out?
They're very funny.
Who is going to blow my cover?
So what about the times OC would want to go and visit the supposed dead body in the mortuary? What are you going to do?
This is the main question. Now, this is where you have to come in as my friend.
Me?
Yes, listen. So, when you and the person that will hit me down will take my corpse to the mortuary that I have arranged in the city, that is when you have to play a role by staying close to OC 247. Do not leave his sight. See, you have to tell me, give me information of everything that is going on. Monitor his movement. Tell me when he's about to come visit me in the mortuary. Give me pre-information so I can arrange myself and also tell the other actors to prepare themselves so we can go and act as cops. So Janet, you have to plan along with me. When Aku marries me and then we'll travel abroad, OC can go and start looking for his dead wife for all I care. I will be abroad, enjoying my life, living my best life, marrying my husband in peace. Mama, celebrate with me now. This is a good news.
It's very simple for you to say. Very simple for you to say. Mama.
Hey. I am not part of this, so. Please, I don't have strength, though. I cannot. This one is too much. Biko.
Mama, you have to plan with me. You're in this with me. We're all in this together.
You are who?
Mama, Aku is a sweet man.
This one is too much.
You did what?
They are actors.
Rita!
Including Janet.
It's not
my name.
Rita, you...
it's you.
Janet! So this is why you've been acting strange, right? Janet, this is why you've been acting strange.
Baby, my love.
Janet, it's you.
Baby, please.
It's you,
Baby.
Janet.
Mommy, I didn't do anything. It's Rita. I came up with the plans. Oh, Rita.
Police center.
Hold
on. Don't let her
Ugochi, please clear the dining table.
Yes, he's here.
What? What is that?
Boss, you won't believe this. Your wife is the same person at the mortuary that OC, the painter, was complaining about. Yes.
How? I don't understand.
That was what they just told me now on the phone.
Who called you? Where are they?
At the mortuary.
At the mortuary?
Yes.
Right now?
Yes.
I think it would be nice for us to visit there.
Okay.
Let me freshen up. We'll go there right away. Are you serious? Are you bringing up?
Bossy, I told you I saw my wife with my 2 eyes, right?
You said so.
That's Rita. She's the same person. She faked her own death. She pretended to be dead. Just to fool me. She paid this man to act as a mortician. She paid all of these actors to act dead. To fool me. The moment we put her in a coffin, she stood up.
Voila! Miracle! Wait. This is the biggest joke of the millennium.
Hey.
Rose here is the same person as Rita? I knew it. I knew something was wrong about this family the moment I met her mother. Yes, I saw this fraudulent act in their eyes. Let me shock you, Rose. I also planned my arrest. Yes. Look at you. In your mind, Akonwata is now poor. To fear, I can never be poor in this life or the next life. Never. Do you understand? Please, officer, arrest these morons. Take them out.
For this Somali world, for this Somali world, Obeluwa. Jay, for this Somali world, for this Somali world, Obeluwa. People let go conscience. For God's sake, in this world, no condition is permanent. Not permanent is spicy. For God's sake, in this world, no condition is permanent. For God's sake, in this world, for God's sake, in this world, no condition is permanent. People let go conscience. For God's sake, in this world, no condition.
is not a good sign at all. Bad omen. Ah, shit. Oh. Is it that my daughter has a heart problem? I hope nothing bad has happened to her. Hey. Ah! What a clear you take one of eh? Hey!
Don't believe in me. Don't kill me. I said, don't believe in me.
Lord, have mercy.
I say, don't believe the monster can shine brighter. Nothing is impossible in this world. My cousin, how good I be, they call you like you. Onye chinya nebu run, where if I give me. For this small world, for this small world, oh Beluwa. Jay, for this small world, for this small world, oh Beluwa. People let go conscience. They forgot say in this world, no condition is permanent. If we don't have money, they will despise you. They forgot say in this world, no condition is permanent. They forgot say in this world, they forgot say in this world, no condition is permanent. People let go conscience. They forgot say